In recent months, the advancements in AI and robotics have been nothing short of extraordinary. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating developments that hasn't been getting the attention it deserves. Before we get started, I want to tell you about the AI with Win merch we've designed just for tech enthusiasts like you. From AI-themed t-shirts to must-have accessories like phone cases, wireless chargers, and laptop sleeves, our collection brings the spirit of AI and EV innovation to your everyday life. Check it out at the link in the description or go to aiwithwin.com. Now, back to the video. Disney's AI robots. What's the secret behind this revolutionary AI robot that's making the entire industry tremble? At the IROS conference in Detroit, Disney Research unveiled something truly groundbreaking. A child-sized robot that doesn't just walk, but also emotes in a way that feels straight out of a Disney animation. This little robot moves with an incredible sense of character, expressing emotions that make it seem almost alive. The one you see on screen right now is deeply expressive, exuding a sense of curiosity, adventure, and wonder. It's as if Disney brought one of its animated creations to life. While it could potentially pave the way for an R2-D2-like companion, the bigger story here is Disney's surprising lead in creating advanced robots with highly realistic, human-like behavior. In a space dominated by tech giants, Disney is carving its own niche with robots that blur the line between fantasy and reality. Disney's groundbreaking robot has caught the attention of many in the artificial intelligence community, and for good reason. This cutting-edge creation leverages advanced technology and showcases a remarkably efficient development process. Entirely 3D printed and designed in under a year, the project benefited immensely from a unique approach. By using off-the-shelf actuators paired with 3D printed components, the team could rapidly tweak, modify, or replace parts, drastically reducing production time compared to traditional manufacturing methods. But that's just the beginning. To further accelerate the design and testing phases, Disney researchers incorporated computer simulations and a technique known as reinforcement learning. These tools allowed the robot's AI to practice and refine its movements in virtual environments, preparing it to navigate real-world scenarios, such as slippery or uneven terrain, while maintaining its character flawlessly. The AI can adapt its motions dynamically, adjusting to variables like motor performance, weight distribution, or ground interaction, ensuring fluid and lifelike behavior. Ruben Grandia, an associate research scientist at Disney Research, highlighted a groundbreaking shift in robot motion technology. Traditionally, motion transitions had to be painstakingly programmed manually. However, with Disney's latest system, the robot can simulate countless scenarios, make small adjustments, and ultimately learn these transitions autonomously. It's like teaching a robot to learn from its experiences and apply that knowledge in real time. While Disney hasn't confirmed if park guests will see this robot in action anytime soon, it's unlikely they're developing such advanced technology merely for demonstration purposes. Now let's talk about what makes Disney's new humanoid robot revolutionary. This isn't your typical Disney animatronic. Disney employs two types of robots in its parks: animatronics and humanoid robots. Animatronics are primarily used for entertainment in theme parks, movies, and television. Their movements are pre-programmed or remotely controlled, focusing on realistic aesthetics and lifelike actions to mimic creatures or characters. However, their internal mechanics are relatively straightforward compared to humanoid robots. Humanoid robots, like Disney's newest innovation, are a completely different story. These robots are equipped with artificial intelligence, enabling them to process data, learn from their environment, and adapt to new situations. They don't just perform, they respond, evolving based on experience. This means they can be retrained or reprogrammed for various tasks, making them far more versatile and dynamic than animatronics. The potential for these AI-driven humanoid robots goes far beyond theme park attractions. It's a bold step toward merging entertainment with cutting-edge technology, and it could redefine what we expect from interactive experiences in the near future. Disney has pulled off something remarkable with their robots. They've managed to make them move in a highly effective and captivating way. To put this into perspective, let's look at another company renowned for their groundbreaking robotics, Boston Dynamics. This company has become a household name in the robotics world, primarily thanks to their advanced humanoid robot, Atlas. Atlas showcases movement capabilities that are nothing short of mind-blowing. First unveiled on YouTube, the robot went viral for its ability to perform complex stunts in controlled environments. One of the early feats that caught everyone's attention was Atlas walking on snowy terrain, a challenge even for humans. That video alone has amassed over 40 million views, featuring the robot picking up heavy packages and demonstrating exceptional adaptability. What's truly fascinating is how Atlas responds to dynamic changes in its environment. For instance, when objects it's tasked with handling are moved or disturbed, Atlas doesn't falter. Thanks to its sophisticated programming, it recalibrates, identifies the new location of the object, and adjusts to complete its task seamlessly. This brings us back to Disney's robotics. While Boston Dynamics remains leagues ahead in terms of technical achievements, Disney's approach introduces something unique to the table. By incorporating AI into their robotic systems, Disney is opening the door to a future where advanced AI and robotics combine to create experiences that are as functional as they are enchanting. It's a different direction, one that could redefine the role of robotics in entertainment and beyond. If we fast forward a few years, it wouldn't be surprising if Disney emerges as a leader in robotics, showcasing some of the most advanced robots the world has ever seen, potentially even surpassing those at Boston Dynamics. Disney's latest innovation highlights a perfect balance, a robot that not only performs tasks efficiently, but also communicates emotions effectively. This approach could set the stage for a new era in robotics, where machines connect with us on a more personal and emotional level, rather than merely executing commands. Here's a throwback to an old video from Disney's robotics research facility, uploaded to YouTube 4 years ago. It's clear evidence that Disney has been deeply invested in robotics for quite some time. Watching the footage, you might think they're just tossing the robot around, but what's remarkable is how it consistently sticks the landing. Looking ahead, we can imagine a future where these robots no longer need supportive structures to land flawlessly. How Disney will achieve this remains a mystery, but it's undeniably fascinating to watch the evolution of their technology. Disney already showcases incredible robotic feats at their theme parks. One standout example is the Spider-Man robot, known for its jaw-dropping aerial acrobatics. It's truly wild to watch. Another example is Judy, a Disney robot that wowed audiences with a mix of acrobatic feats and walking skills during a recent Disney conference. These advancements make you wonder, if this is what they're achieving today, what will Disney's robotics division accomplish a few years down the line? It's remarkable that an entertainment company is competing in such a cutting-edge space, rivaling some of the biggest names in AI and robotics. In recent years, we've seen a significant shift as more companies race to claim their share of the growing robotics market. Estimates suggest the robotics industry could be worth trillions in the future. As a result, many companies are focusing their efforts on humanoid robots. While some are exploring commercial applications, others are developing robots designed purely for entertainment. Take Tesla, for example. Their humanoid robots debuted at conferences, showcasing promising early results. Similarly, other major players are lining up to release their humanoid robots in the near future. However, a common challenge across the industry is reliability. If an autonomous robot makes a serious mistake, it could open the floodgates for lawsuits, a risk no company wants to face. As it stands, every company is vying to become the market leader in this still emerging industry. The robotics field is too young to predict a clear winner, but one thing is certain, it's evolving at an extraordinary pace. Just as the mobile phone industry revolutionized over the past 20 years, the robotics industry is poised for a similar transformation. With companies like Tesla and Disney pushing boundaries, the next 20 years could bring robotics into realms we can't even imagine. Whether it's in entertainment, commercial use, or beyond, the future of robotics is set to be nothing short of revolutionary. Is this the future of entertainment, or are we losing the human touch and the magic of Disney? What do you think about this revolutionary robot? Let us know in the comments below. A jaw-dropping revelation straight out of Turkey. A $10 billion factory dedicated to building humanoid robots. Yes, you heard that right. A massive step forward in robotics that's making the world sit up and take notice. So what's the big deal about this factory? How is Turkey positioning itself as a global robotics powerhouse? And most importantly, what do these robots mean for our future? Let's break it all down. Before we get started, I want to tell you about the AI with Win merch we've designed just for tech enthusiasts like you. From AI themed t shirts to must have accessories like phone cases, wireless chargers, and laptop sleeves, our collection brings the spirit of AI and EV innovation to your everyday life. Check it out at the link in the description or go to aiwithwin.com. Now, back to the video. Alright, first things first. What's all the buzz about? Turkey recently announced plans for a groundbreaking $10 billion humanoid robot factory. Located just outside Istanbul, this facility isn't your average robotics lab. It's an industrial marvel, reportedly the size of 300 football fields, equipped with cutting edge AI technology and projected to produce thousands of humanoid robots annually. But what really sets this apart is the ambition. This factory aims to compete with global giants like Boston Dynamics and Tesla. And honestly, they might just pull it off. Why? Because they're not just building robots, they're laying the groundwork for a robotics revolution. Akin Robotics, one of Turkey's leading robotics companies, has already developed a diverse lineup of over 120 domestically produced robots, serving industries such as healthcare, education, tourism, and more. These robots are equipped with advanced capabilities, including sound processing, speech functionality, smell detection, internet usage, and facial recognition. The factory, reportedly slated for completion within 1.5 years, demonstrates Turkey's growing technological prowess. Leaders in the project have expressed optimism about the future, highlighting the robot's potential to perform tasks like promoting products in malls, assisting travelers in airports, and even making sales in stores. Now let's talk about the stars of the show, the humanoid robots themselves. These aren't your average metallic machines. Imagine robots with human like movements, faces that can mimic emotions, and AI so advanced they can hold conversations with you. It sounds futuristic, but it might be closer than we think. These humanoid robots are being designed to support various sectors. In healthcare, they could act as nurses or caregivers, while in home management, they might assist with daily chores. In cafes and restaurants, they're envisioned to autonomously set up tables, serve customers, and provide detailed service information. Beyond the service industry, they could take on repetitive tasks in factories with precision and efficiency, ushering in a new era of human robot collaboration. So, why Turkey? How did they leap into the future like this? For years, Turkey has been quietly investing in AI and robotics, building a robust tech ecosystem, forming partnerships with top universities, and attracting global investors. This factory is part of a larger vision to establish Turkey as a leader in advanced technology. With significant government backing, billions in funding, and access to a talented workforce, they're positioning themselves as a major player in the robotics revolution. A factory like this isn't just about cool robots, it's a massive economic game changer. It's creating thousands of high tech jobs, boosting exports, and attracting global investors. Plus, it's giving a significant boost to local industries, from AI software to robotic components, creating a ripple effect that benefits the broader economy. But here's the big question: can Turkey really compete with global giants? Companies like Boston Dynamics have years of experience, and Tesla is making waves with its Optimus robot. Turkey's edge lies in affordability and scalability. While other robots come with million-dollar price tags, Turkey's approach is to make these machines accessible and cost-effective. They're betting on mass adoption, a bold move that could pay off. Let's zoom out. What does this mean for the future of robotics? This factory isn't just about Turkey, it's a wake-up call for the entire world. As we step into an era where humanoid robots could become as common as smartphones, the implications are profound. Meanwhile, in China, robotics is reshaping the workforce. Factories like the one in Dongguan have replaced up to 90% of their human workforce with robots, leading to a 250% increase in productivity. Robots are performing critical assembly tasks with unmatched precision, while remaining workers focus on maintenance. It's a trend that's spreading across industries globally. In London, warehousing is being transformed by robotics. Ocado's The Hive employs thousands of robots to fulfill grocery orders faster than humans ever could, despite raising safety concerns. Similarly, in Istanbul, Turkish companies are implementing Europe's largest robot-based sortation systems, enhancing logistics efficiency dramatically. Back in Turkey, the humanoid robots being developed are setting the stage for an exciting future. Imagine robots assisting in disaster relief, caring for the elderly, or teaching children. These advancements aren't just technological, they're societal, but with great innovation comes great responsibility. Complex challenges like cost, ethical concerns, and potential job displacement must be addressed. What happens when robots become smarter than us, or when they replace too many human roles? These are critical questions that need answers. The first batch of robots from Turkey's new factory is expected to roll out by mid 2025. Early reports suggest that global companies are already showing interest, considering deployment in fields like healthcare, education, and even disaster response. From humanoid robots in Turkey to industrial automation in China and advanced warehousing in London, the world is witnessing a robotics revolution. While these advancements promise incredible efficiency and productivity, they also raise critical questions about workforce displacement and ethical considerations. Striking the right balance between human employment and robotic efficiency will define the future of industries worldwide. Turkey's bold leap into humanoid robotics is just the beginning of a transformative journey. Whether it's building the workforce of the future or tackling global challenges, these robots are poised to make a significant impact. The world is watching, and Turkey is making it clear. They intend to lead. So, what do you think? Are humanoid robots the future we've been waiting for, or are we stepping into uncharted territory? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more mind-blowing tech updates. What if I told you there's a powerful AI tool out there called Flux that offers revolutionary capabilities, and you can get it for free? Imagine an AI that streamlines your workflow, improves productivity, and even makes coding a breeze. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In this video, we're diving deep into Flux AI, a cutting-edge tool that's making waves in the AI world. And the best part, I'm going to show you how to get access for free. Welcome back to AI with Win, the channel where we break down the latest and greatest in AI technology. Whether you're a developer, an entrepreneur, or just an AI enthusiast, we've got you covered with all the insights you need to stay ahead. In today's video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about Flux AI, its standout features, the pros and cons, and my personal rating based on my hands-on experience. Stick around until the end because I'll also be revealing the exact steps to unlock free access to this incredible tool. You don't want to miss it. Flux AI is a cutting-edge tool designed to meet the growing needs of developers, data scientists, and AI enthusiasts. With AI becoming a central force in technological innovation, having the right tools to build, deploy, and refine AI models is critical. This is where Flux AI steps in, offering a user-friendly, versatile platform that can cater to both seasoned professionals and beginners in the AI space. Whether you're working on machine learning models, automating complex tasks, or delving into natural language processing, NLP, Flux AI provides a seamless and powerful experience. In this overview, we'll take a look at the platform's core features, AI capabilities, and what makes it truly stand out from the competition. Key features of Flux AI. 1. Ease of use. Flux AI's intuitive design is one of its biggest advantages. Whether you're an expert developer or someone just getting started, Flux AI ensures that you don't have to spend countless hours learning how to use the platform. Its interface is designed for simplicity, featuring drag-and-drop functionalities for building AI workflows, an integrated development environment, IDE, for more advanced users, and robust documentation to guide you through any complexities. One of the key reasons behind its user-friendliness is its focus on minimizing the technical overhead required to work with AI. With Flux AI, you don't need to worry about setting up environments or managing resources manually. The platform automates much of this for you. 2. Comprehensive AI capabilities. Flux AI shines in its wide array of built-in AI capabilities. It supports a vast range of tasks from natural language processing, NLP, to image recognition and automation. Let's break down some of its most notable capabilities. Natural language processing, NLP. Flux AI offers robust NLP tools that enable developers to build applications capable of understanding, generating, and responding to human language. Whether it's creating chatbots, sentiment analysis tools, or machine translation systems, Flux AI makes NLP development straightforward. Its pre-built models can be fine-tuned for specific use cases, allowing users to rapidly prototype and deploy solutions without needing deep expertise in linguistics or machine learning. Image recognition. In addition to NLP, Flux AI also excels in image recognition. The platform allows users to develop models that can identify objects, categorize images, and even track visual patterns. This is ideal for industries ranging from healthcare, e.g., diagnostic imaging, to retail, e.g., inventory management. Thanks to its built-in models, developers can get started without needing to construct image processing algorithms from scratch. Automation. One of the most impressive features of Flux AI is its automation capabilities. Whether you're automating routine business processes or complex decision-making workflows, the platform provides the tools necessary to streamline operations. With AI-powered automation, you can optimize workflows, reduce manual labor, and increase efficiency in areas such as customer support, marketing, and data processing. 3. Scalability. Flux AI is built with scalability in mind. As your AI models grow in complexity or your data sets expand, the platform can handle the increased demand. It supports both on-premise and cloud-based deployments, ensuring that you can scale your AI applications across different infrastructures without compromising performance or reliability. 4. Integrations. Another significant strength of Flux AI is its ability to integrate with various third-party tools and platforms. Whether you're using AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure, Flux AI connects seamlessly with these cloud services, making it easier to manage your resources. Additionally, it supports integration with popular programming languages, such as Python, R, and JavaScript, allowing users to bring their existing code bases into the platform with ease. 5. Collaboration features. In today's collaborative world, having tools that facilitate teamwork is crucial. Flux AI provides collaborative workspaces, enabling teams to share projects, models, and insights in real time. These features are especially useful for teams working remotely or across different time zones, as they can keep track of updates and changes without worrying about version control or miscommunication. What makes Flux AI stand out? With so many AI platforms on the market, what sets Flux AI apart? Several unique aspects differentiate it from the competition. 1. Accessibility for all skill levels. Many AI platforms either cater exclusively to highly technical users or provide overly simplistic tools that lack depth. Flux AI strikes a balance by offering an easy-to-use interface for beginners while still providing advanced capabilities for experienced developers. For instance, its drag-and-drop AI model builder makes it simple for non-technical users to create sophisticated workflows, while the code-based interface allows developers to fine-tune models or write custom scripts. 2. Pre-built models and flexibility. Flux AI's library of pre-built AI models is a standout feature, providing users with an efficient starting point for their projects. These models save time and reduce the need for users to develop solutions from the ground up. Yet, the platform remains flexible enough for those who want to create custom models, making it an ideal choice for both rapid prototyping and more detailed long-term projects. 3. Real-time AI deployment. One of the most impressive aspects of Flux AI is its real-time AI deployment capabilities. Unlike other platforms that require long wait times for model training or deployment, Flux AI leverages cutting-edge optimization techniques that allow models to be trained, tested, and deployed in real time. This is particularly beneficial for businesses that require quick turnaround times, such as in finance, retail, or customer service. 4. Security and compliance. Data security is a major concern for any company working with sensitive information, and Flux AI addresses this by offering robust security measures. It complies with various industry standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, and SOC 2, ensuring that your data is safe while you build and deploy AI applications. Whether you're working with confidential financial information or healthcare records, Flux AI's security protocols provide peace of mind. 5. Community and support. The Flux AI community is another aspect that makes it stand out. With an active user base and dedicated support channels, users can get help when they need it. Whether that's troubleshooting a problem or exploring a new feature, the platform also offers frequent updates and feature releases based on user feedback, making it highly responsive to the needs of its growing audience. One of Flux AI's greatest strengths is its usability. From setup to application, Flux AI is designed with a user-friendly interface that minimizes the need for extensive technical knowledge. For those who are new to AI platforms, this accessibility is crucial. The streamlined dashboard, simple navigation, and intuitive design make it easy to get started without the steep learning curve associated with more complex platforms. Another highlight is the range of AI capabilities it offers. Flux AI is not just limited to one or two features, it covers a wide array of functions like natural language processing, NLP, image recognition, and automation. This versatility allows users to tackle various tasks within a single platform, reducing the need to juggle multiple AI tools for different purposes. Whether you're analyzing text, automating workflows, or leveraging visual data, Flux AI has something to offer across the board. In terms of performance, the platform holds up well. Users report quick response times and efficient processing, particularly in tasks that involve large datasets or complex workflows. This is particularly valuable in today's fast-paced environment, where efficiency and speed are key to success. Finally, cost-effectiveness is a standout feature, particularly if you're working on a budget. Flux AI offers a free access option, which provides users with a robust suite of tools without the need for a premium subscription. This makes it especially attractive for startups, small businesses, or individual users looking to explore AI without hefty upfront costs. Even its paid tiers are competitively priced, making it a smart investment for those who need to scale up. However, no platform is perfect, and Flux AI does come with some potential downsides. One notable issue is its learning curve. While it is easier to navigate than some AI platforms, the sheer range of tools and features can be overwhelming, especially for users who are completely new to AI. Although the interface is user-friendly, there's still a need for time and patience to learn how to fully utilize all of its capabilities. Another potential drawback is the platform's support options. While basic customer support is available, it may not be as robust as some users would like, especially for those relying on Flux AI for more mission-critical applications. More advanced or dedicated support often comes at a premium, which could be a drawback for users on the free plan. Finally, while Flux AI is quite versatile, it may not excel in specific use case limitations. For example, users working on highly specialized tasks or in niche industries might find that the platform doesn't offer the depth or customization options that more industry-focused AI tools provide. Overall, Flux AI is a solid option for those seeking a powerful, cost-effective AI platform, but users should be prepared to invest some time into learning its full potential. When evaluating Flux AI, we'll use a rating system from 1 to 10, where 1 signifies poor performance and 10 represents exceptional quality. Considering factors like performance, value for money, and usability, I would rate Flux AI an impressive 8 out of 10. In terms of performance, Flux AI excels with its robust natural language processing capabilities and image recognition features, making it a powerful tool for various applications. Its value for money is notable, offering competitive pricing for a suite of advanced features that cater to both individuals and businesses. The usability is also commendable. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing users to get started quickly without extensive training. However, there are minor limitations, particularly in more complex use cases, where additional customization may be necessary. Flux AI is worth your time if you're looking for an AI platform that balances power and ease of use. It is especially beneficial for small to medium-sized businesses, content creators, and educators seeking to leverage AI without breaking the bank. If you're in the market for an accessible yet powerful AI tool, Flux AI is certainly worth considering. How to get free access to Flux AI. If you're curious about Flux AI and want to experience its impressive features without committing financially, you're in luck. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can get free access to Flux AI and start exploring its capabilities. Step 1. Visit the official website. Start by heading over to the official Flux AI website. This is where you'll find the most accurate and up-to-date information on promotions and offers. Look for any banners or pop-ups announcing free trials or limited time promotions. Companies often feature these offers prominently to attract new users. Step 2. Sign up for an account. Once you're on the website, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on it to begin the registration process. You'll typically need to provide basic information such as your name, email address, and possibly a password. Ensure you use an email that you check regularly, as you'll likely receive confirmation and further instructions via email. Step 3. Explore free trial options. After creating your account, check for any free trial options available. Many AI platforms offer a free trial period, allowing you to explore their features without any financial commitment. Flux AI may have a trial that grants access to its full suite of tools or a limited version of the platform. Make sure to read the details to understand what features are included in the free access. Step 4. Check for promotions. Keep an eye out for any promotional codes or special offers that might be available. Sometimes Flux AI might partner with other companies or run seasonal promotions that can give you extended free access or additional features. You can often find these promotions on their social media channels or newsletters. Engaging with the community can provide valuable resources and networking opportunities. Ready to dive into the world of Flux AI? Click the link in the description below for immediate access to your free trial. Start experimenting with its innovative features and see how it can enhance your projects. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments what you think of Flux AI and how you plan to use it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more AI reviews and content. If you're interested in exploring more about AI and its impact, check out my other videos on the channel. Your engagement helps us grow and bring you more valuable content. So thank you for watching.
When they are delivered at scale, it's going to have an impact on the world at a scale that no one understands yet.
What if I told you that one of the most powerful tech moguls in the world is terrified of AI? So much so that his interview about it got banned. What if the man who helped shape the future of technology now believes it could lead to our downfall? Eric Schmidt, the former CEO of Google and a pivotal figure in the rise of artificial intelligence, recently sounded the alarm about the dangers lurking within the very technology he once championed. Before we dive deeper into why this interview was so provocative, only about 10% of you watching are subscribed. So if you enjoy this kind of content and want to stay updated, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Now, back to Schmidt. His interview, reportedly banned for being too provocative, dives deep into a future where AI could spiral out of control, posing existential risks to humanity. But why was this interview silenced? And what does Schmidt know that the rest of us don't? Eric Schmidt's background and credibility. Eric Schmidt is not just any tech executive, he's a titan in the industry, having played a monumental role in transforming Google from a search engine into a global tech powerhouse. As Google's CEO from 2001 to 2011, Schmidt oversaw the company's rapid expansion, including its advancements in artificial intelligence. His deep involvement in AI development, particularly through projects like Google Brain, gives him unparalleled insight into the technology's potential and its risks. Schmidt's warnings about AI aren't just speculative. They're rooted in his extensive experience and insider knowledge of the field. The controversial interview. In a recent interview, Eric Schmidt didn't hold back in expressing his concerns about the unchecked development of artificial intelligence. Conducted in a high-profile setting, this interview took a dark turn as Schmidt delved into the potential for AI to evolve beyond human control, raising alarms about its existential risks. His blunt warnings about AI's capacity to disrupt society and even threaten humanity made the conversation so provocative that it was allegedly banned. Schmidt's interview also touched on the geopolitical dimensions of AI, specifically highlighting China's advancements in the field.
Yes, sir.
In terms of national security or geopolitical interest, how do you think AI is going to play a role or competition with China as well?
So I was the chairman of an AI commission that sort of looked at this very carefully. And you can read it. It's about 752 pages. And I'll just summarize it by saying, we're ahead, we need to stay ahead, and we need lots of money to do so. Our customers were the Senate and the House. And out of that came the CHIPS Act and a lot of other stuff like that. A rough scenario is that if you assume the frontier models drive forward and a few of the open source models, it's likely that a very small number of companies can play this game. Countries, excuse me. What are those countries, or who are they? Countries with a lot of money and a lot of talent, strong educational systems, and a willingness to win. The US is one of them. China's another one. How many others are there?
Are there any others?
I don't know, maybe. But certainly in your lifetimes, the battle between the US and China for knowledge supremacy is going to be the big fight, right? So the US government banned essentially the NVIDIA chips, although they weren't allowed to say that was what they were doing, but they actually did that into China. They have about a 10-year chip advantage. We have a roughly 10-year chip advantage in terms of sub-DUV, that is sub 5 nanometer
10 years, that long?
Roughly 10 years.
Wow.
And so you're going to have, so an example would be, today we're a couple of years ahead of China. My guess is we'll get a few more years ahead of China, and the Chinese are whopping mad about this. It's like hugely upset about it. So that's a big deal. That was the decision made by the Trump administration and furthered by the Biden administration.
The conversation touched on sensitive topics, including the possibility of AI being weaponized or manipulated for malicious purposes, which could have driven the decision to suppress the interview.
Good. Well, let's talk about a real war that's going on. I know that something you've been very involved in is the Ukraine war, and in particular, I don't know how much you can talk about White Stork and your goal of having $500 drones destroy $5 million tanks.
So
how's that changing warfare?
So I worked for the Secretary of Defense for 7 years, and tried to change the way we run our military. I'm not a particularly big fan of the military, but it's very expensive, and I wanted to see if I could be helpful. And I think, in my view, I largely failed. They gave me a medal, so they must give medals to failure or whatever. But my self-criticism was nothing has really changed. And the system in America is not going to lead to real innovation. So watching the Russians use tanks to destroy apartment buildings with little old ladies and kids just drove me crazy. So I decided to work on a company with your friend Sebastian Thrun, and as a former faculty member here, and a whole bunch of Stanford people. And the idea basically is to do two things: use AI in complicated, powerful ways for these essentially robotic war. And the second one is to lower the cost of the robots. Now you sit there and you go, why would a good liberal like me do that? And the answer is that the whole theory of armies is tanks, artillery, and mortar, and we can eliminate all of them. And we can make the penalty for invading a country, at least by land, essentially be impossible. It should eliminate the kind of land battles.
Well, this is a really interesting question. Is that, does it give more of an advantage to defense versus offense? Can you even make that distinction?
Because I've been doing this for the last year, I've learned a lot about war that I really did not want to know. And one of the things to know about war is that the offense always has the advantage because you can always overwhelm the defensive systems.
The banning of Schmidt's interview raises critical questions about the role of information control in the tech industry and the balance between innovation and safety. It also underscores the importance of public discourse around AI, as Schmidt's insights, while unsettling, bring to light the urgent need for global collaboration and robust regulations to prevent AI from becoming an existential threat. Eric Schmidt has sounded alarms about the potential dangers of artificial intelligence, AI, if left unchecked. He has fervently advocated for stringent regulations and oversight to mitigate the risks associated with AI development and deployment. Schmidt's call for regulation stems from a deep understanding of AI's rapid advancement and its far-reaching implications. He draws parallels between AI and other technologies that have historically required strict control. For instance, the development of nuclear power, while offering immense potential, also pose significant risks. Ethical concerns about the development of AI weapon systems are also prevalent. While Schmidt might argue that such weapons are necessary for global security, many viewers emphasize the importance of human control over AI systems, particularly in the context of warfare. The debate highlights the significant divide in public opinion regarding the ethical implications of AI-powered warfare. What can be done? The controversy surrounding Eric Schmidt's interview underscores the urgent need for open dialogue and informed action regarding the development and deployment of artificial intelligence, AI. As individuals and as a society, we must actively engage in discussions about the potential risks and benefits of AI to ensure its safe and responsible use. Policymakers and tech leaders bear a significant responsibility in shaping the future of AI. They must work together to establish comprehensive regulations and international agreements that govern AI development and deployment. These regulations should prioritize safety, transparency, and accountability, ensuring that AI is used for the benefit of humanity rather than causing harm. Individuals can also play a crucial role in promoting responsible AI development. By staying informed about AI advancements and their potential implications, we can become effective advocates for ethical AI practices. Schmidt's warnings serve as a stark reminder of the immense power and potential dangers of AI. His interview highlights the critical importance of responsible development and deployment of AI technologies. While the specific details of his predictions may be debated, the underlying message is clear. AI is a double-edged sword that requires careful consideration and proactive measures to ensure its benefits outweigh the risks. As we continue to advance AI, it is crucial that we remain vigilant and engaged in discussions about its ethical implications and potential dangers. By sharing our thoughts and perspectives, we can contribute to a more informed and responsible approach to AI development. What are your thoughts on Schmidt's warnings and the future of AI? Let us know in the comments, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Will we still have jobs in 5 years? This isn't some far-off science fiction scenario. It's a question we must grapple with today. AI is advancing at an unprecedented rate, outpacing even the most optimistic predictions. In just a few short years, it has transformed industries, automated tasks once thought too complex for machines, and raised critical questions about the future of work. But what does this mean for you? How secure is your job in a world where AI is becoming smarter and more capable by the day? Let's explore which industries might thrive in an AI-driven world and which ones could face extinction. From healthcare to manufacturing, no sector will be untouched by AI's relentless progress. But it's not just about the jobs. We'll also discuss the broader societal changes that could emerge as AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives. Whether you're an optimist who sees AI as a tool for unprecedented growth or a pessimist worried about the loss of human jobs, this exploration will provide insights that are crucial for understanding the future landscape of work. As we step into 2024, artificial intelligence continues to be one of the most dynamic and rapidly evolving fields in technology. AI has moved from being a specialized niche to a ubiquitous presence in our everyday lives, influencing a wide range of sectors, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and transportation. One of the most significant advancements in AI is the increasing sophistication of natural language processing. Large language models have grown in their capacity to understand and generate human-like text, enabling more nuanced and context-aware interactions with machines. These models are now being integrated into customer service, content creation, and even legal and medical consultations, allowing for more efficient and accurate outputs. In the realm of computer vision, AI has reached new heights with the development of more advanced image and video recognition technologies. These systems are now being used to improve security through better surveillance systems, enhance medical diagnostics by identifying patterns in medical imagery, and even assist in autonomous driving by enabling vehicles to understand and navigate complex environments with greater precision. AI's role in healthcare has expanded significantly. Predictive analytics, powered by AI, are now being employed to anticipate disease outbreaks, personalize treatment plans, and even discover new drugs. AI-driven robots are assisting in surgeries, providing unprecedented precision and reducing the risk of human error. This isn't replacing doctors, it's supercharging them. The financial sector is also experiencing a revolution, with AI being utilized for fraud detection, risk management, and algorithmic trading. The ability of AI to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately allows financial institutions to make more informed decisions, ultimately leading to more stable and efficient markets. Looking ahead to 2030, the growth trajectory of AI promises even more transformative changes. We expect to see substantial advancements in machine learning, robotics, and automation, which will reshape not just industries, but society as a whole. Machine learning, the backbone of AI, is predicted to become more powerful and accessible. We can anticipate the development of models that require less data to train, thanks to improvements in transfer learning and unsupervised learning techniques. These advancements will allow AI to learn and adapt more quickly, making it more versatile and capable of performing a wider range of tasks with minimal human intervention. Robotics, powered by AI, is set to play an increasingly important role in various sectors. We could see the rise of more autonomous robots capable of complex tasks in manufacturing, healthcare, and even in our homes. For example, robots could take over dangerous and repetitive tasks in factories, leading to safer work environments and higher productivity. In healthcare, AI driven robots might perform intricate surgeries with a level of precision that surpasses human capabilities, or provide personalized care to the elderly and disabled, enhancing their quality of life. Now let's talk about the industries feeling the heat. Manufacturing has long been the poster child for automation, but AI is taking it to a whole new level. Imagine factories where robots not only assemble products, but also design them, manage inventory, and even predict market trends. It's happening right now. Jobs involving assembly line work, quality control, and machine operation are particularly vulnerable. AI-powered robots are becoming increasingly adept at performing complex tasks with precision and efficiency, reducing the need for human labor. But it's not just blue-collar jobs at risk. The white-collar world is in for a shock. Take the legal profession. AI can now review contracts faster and more accurately than human lawyers. It can predict court outcomes and even draft legal documents. Are we looking at a future where your lawyer is an algorithm? The transportation industry is another sector bracing for impact. Self-driving vehicles aren't just a pipe dream anymore. They're on our roads, in our warehouses, and soon, in our skies. What happens to the millions of truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery personnel when their jobs can be done by machines that never need sleep, never get distracted, and never ask for a raise? Retail is another battlefield. We've already seen the rise of e-commerce, but AI is taking it further. Imagine walking into a store where there are no cashiers, no sales assistants, just you and an AI that knows your preferences better than you do. It's not science fiction, it's Amazon Go, and it's just the beginning. Automated checkout systems, AI-driven customer service chatbots, and personalized shopping experiences are becoming the norm. But here's the twist. While some industries are facing extinction, others are on the brink of a golden age. The tech industry itself is, unsurprisingly, booming. But it's not just about coding anymore. We need people who can bridge the gap between humans and AI. Ethicists who can ensure AI makes fair decisions. Creatives who can work alongside AI to push the boundaries of art and innovation. Speaking of creativity, here's a mind bender for you. AI is entering the creative field. It's composing music, writing stories, even creating art. But rather than replacing human creativity, it's augmenting it. Imagine a world where your creative partner is an AI, bouncing ideas back and forth, pushing you to new heights of innovation. Now let's talk about you. How do you survive, even thrive, in this AI-driven world? The key is to focus on what makes us uniquely human. Emotional intelligence, creative problem solving, ethical decision making, these are the skills that will set you apart in a world of smart machines. As AI systems become more integrated into our daily lives, ethical considerations have become paramount. AI ethicists are emerging as a crucial role, tasked with ensuring that AI systems are designed and implemented in a way that is fair, transparent, and accountable. These professionals work closely with developers, policymakers, and organizations to navigate the complex moral and ethical questions surrounding AI, such as bias in algorithms, data privacy, and the societal impact of automation. The explosion of data generated by AI systems has increased the demand for data analysts and data scientists. These roles involve collecting, analyzing, and interpreting large data sets to provide actionable insights that drive business decisions. While these jobs aren't new, the skills and tools required are rapidly evolving. Advanced knowledge of machine learning algorithms, programming languages like Python, and tools like TensorFlow or PyTorch are becoming essential as AI continues to advance. As AI systems and robotics become more widespread, the need for skilled technicians to maintain and troubleshoot these technologies is growing. AI maintenance technicians ensure that AI driven machinery and systems operate smoothly and are up to date with the latest software and hardware updates. This role blends traditional technical skills with specialized knowledge of AI and robotics, making it a critical part of the workforce in industries ranging from manufacturing to healthcare. In a world dominated by AI, digital literacy is no longer optional. It's a necessity. This means more than just understanding how to use technology. It involves comprehending how AI systems work, how to interact with them effectively, and how to leverage digital tools to enhance productivity. Being digitally literate also includes understanding the implications of AI, such as privacy concerns and the ethical use of technology. AI may excel at processing data and performing routine tasks, but human problem solving remains irreplaceable. The ability to think critically, analyze complex situations, and devise innovative solutions will be highly sought after. As AI handles more routine tasks, human workers will be expected to tackle the challenges that require creative and strategic thinking, making problem solving a key skill in the AI-driven world. Thank you for joining us on this mind-bending exploration of AI's impact on jobs and society. If you found this glimpse into our AI-driven future as fascinating as we do, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. You won't want to miss any of our videos that are redefining the future, one breakthrough at a time. Intel was once poised to lead the AI revolution. So what went wrong? While Nvidia surged ahead, Intel hesitated, missing a golden opportunity. Now the AI industry they could have dominated is passing them by. Here's how Intel fumbled their chance at AI greatness.
Is your smart home really safe? AI is everywhere, but is it protecting you? Smart devices collect data constantly. But who has access to it? Take control of your privacy. Secure your smart home today. Follow AI with Win for more tech tips.
Leaked documents reveal that NVIDIA's ambitious Cosmos project is scraping a staggering 80 years worth of videos daily from YouTube and Netflix. This groundbreaking initiative aims to revolutionize video AI, but not without raising eyebrows. Employees are outraged, claiming their concerns about copyright violations were dismissed as mere executive decisions. With Google and Netflix both voicing their objections, this saga is shaping up to be a seismic moment in the tech world. Stay tuned as we dive into the explosive details. But first, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Only 10% of you are subscribed, and you don't want to miss out on the latest updates in AI and tech. Hit that subscribe button and join our community today. In recent months, NVIDIA has found itself in the eye of a storm of controversy, primarily fueled by leaked documents that reveal the company's extensive practice of scraping videos from popular platforms such as YouTube and Netflix. These revelations have sparked significant debate in the tech community and beyond, raising critical questions about data ethics, intellectual property rights, and the future of AI development. This video delves into the details of the leaked documents, the implications for NVIDIA, and the broader impact on the AI and media industries. The leaked documents in question provide a comprehensive look at NVIDIA's data collection practices. According to these documents, NVIDIA has been scraping vast amounts of video content from platforms like YouTube and Netflix to train its upcoming video foundational model known as Cosmos. The sheer scale of this data scraping operation is staggering, with reports indicating that NVIDIA has amassed terabytes of video content without obtaining explicit consent from content creators or platform operators. The leaked documents reveal a detailed process by which NVIDIA's data collection team employed sophisticated algorithms to crawl and extract video content from various platforms. These algorithms were designed to bypass standard access controls in terms of service agreements, allowing NVIDIA to gather large volumes of video data with minimal oversight. The documents also highlight that NVIDIA's scraping activities were not limited to publicly available videos. In some cases, the company accessed and extracted content from private or restricted sources. This raises significant ethical and legal concerns, as it suggests a disregard for the intellectual property rights of content creators and platform operators. By leveraging the vast amounts of data collected through scraping, NVIDIA intends to train Cosmos to perform complex tasks such as video generation, scene understanding, and content manipulation. The ambition behind Cosmos is immense. The model is expected to revolutionize how AI interacts with video content, enabling new applications in fields ranging from entertainment to surveillance. However, the project's success hinges on the quality and diversity of the training data, which is why NVIDIA's data collection practices are of particular concern. Ethical and legal implications. The revelations about NVIDIA's data scraping practices have ignited a heated debate over the ethical and legal implications of such activities. Several key issues have emerged. Intellectual property rights. One of the primary concerns is the potential infringement of intellectual property rights. By scraping videos from platforms like YouTube and Netflix, NVIDIA may be violating the terms of service agreements that govern the use of content on these platforms. Content creators and platform operators have invested significant resources into producing and curating video content. An unauthorized use of this content raises questions about fair compensation and respect for intellectual property. Consent and transparency. Another critical issue is the lack of consent and transparency in NVIDIA's data collection practices. The leaked documents suggest that NVIDIA did not seek permission from content creators or platform operators before scraping their videos. This lack of transparency undermines the trust between AI developers and content creators, potentially leading to legal challenges and reputational damage for NVIDIA. Data privacy. The scraping of private or restricted content also raises concerns about data privacy. Primary focus has been on video content. The potential for scraping personal or sensitive information from restricted sources cannot be ignored. This underscores the need for stringent data protection measures and ethical guidelines in AI development. Impact on content creators. Content creators are particularly concerned about the implications of NVIDIA's scraping practices. Many creators rely on platforms like YouTube and Netflix as primary sources of income, and the unauthorized use of their content for AI training could undermine their revenue streams. Additionally, the potential for AI-generated content to compete with original creations raises questions about the future of content creation and the role of human creativity. The leaked documents have raised significant concerns about NVIDIA's approach to data collection. Employees within the company have reportedly expressed unease regarding potential copyright infringements associated with the scraping of videos from platforms like YouTube and Netflix. According to these sources, there were internal discussions about the legality of using such content for AI training. However, management assured employees that the practice was an executive decision sanctioned at the highest levels of the company. NVIDIA maintains that its practices are in compliance with copyright law. The company argues that the use of copyrighted material for AI training may fall under the category of fair use, a legal doctrine that permits limited use of copyrighted material without permission for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, or research. NVIDIA contends that its use of these videos is transformative and falls within the bounds of fair use, although this interpretation is subject to ongoing legal debate. Both Google and Netflix have voiced their concerns regarding NVIDIA's data collection practices. Google, which owns YouTube, has stated that the use of its content for AI training without explicit permission is a violation of its terms of service. Netflix has also expressed dissatisfaction with NVIDIA's approach. A Netflix spokesperson confirmed that there is no agreement allowing NVIDIA to use its content for training purposes. This response indicates a broader issue within the industry concerning the use of proprietary content for developing AI technologies. Employee and executive perspectives. The internal discourse at NVIDIA reflects a broader tension between innovation and ethical considerations in the tech industry. Employees, including some at senior levels, have reportedly questioned the legality and ethics of scraping content without permission. This internal conflict underscores the complexity of navigating intellectual property rights in the rapidly evolving field of AI. Their extensive scraping of videos from YouTube and Netflix raises serious questions about data privacy and ethical AI development. What are your thoughts on companies using such methods to advance technology? Drop your comments below. Let's dive into this discussion together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in AI. Bow down to the new AI king, Flux. A few days ago, out of nowhere, Black Forest Labs unleashed a groundbreaking model called Flux. It's blowing every other model out of the water. Flux is an impressive 12 billion parameter model that can generate stunning images with incredible accuracy. Correct hands, near perfect text, photorealism, anime styles, you name it. It even outperforms Stable Diffusion 3 and any other model released so far. It's mind-blowing. What's even more surprising is that Black Forest Labs, a new company on the scene, created it. Despite being a small team of just 15 people, 14 of them are former Stability AI employees. It's kind of funny, isn't it? Just 14 people managed to build something better than what Stability AI could achieve on its own. These models are simply phenomenal, arguably the best ever created. You can easily run them either locally on your computer or online for just a few cents per hour. I'm going to walk you through how to do that. Now, there are some potential issues with the models, but I'll save that discussion for the end, since it's still just speculation at this point. For now, let's dive into the installation process. To install this, you have two options. The first method is by using the Maring installer, which is available exclusively to my Patreon supporters. If you're one of them, I've got a bunch of useful files that will be very helpful to you. Now, to run Flux, you'll need to have Comfy UI installed. If you haven't installed Comfy UI yet, you can easily do so using the Flux Comfy UI Manager auto installer. Simply double-click on it, and it will prompt you to choose between the fast-low VRAM install or the unoptimized normal model. I'll explain the differences between these options later in the video, but regardless of your situation, I recommend selecting the fast-low VRAM install. Again, I'll go into more detail on why this is the best choice later. Once you select that option, press A and then enter. Next, you'll be asked if you want to download the Flux Shell model, a faster version of the Flux model. I highly recommend choosing yes to try it out later, as it's a very cool model. After that, press enter again, and the installer will automatically set up Comfy UI and download the models. You won't have to do anything else. Finally, once the installation is complete, if you have less than 12 GB of VRAM, run the vr.bat file. If you have more than 12 GB, run the normal run NVIDIA GPU.bat file, which will launch Comfy UI and have everything ready to go. It's that simple. To streamline the process, simply load the special workflow and you're set. There's no need to do anything else. If you already have Comfy installed, you can use the flux as model install.bat file. Just drag and drop it into your config UI folder and run the batch file to start the installation. No manual steps required. Alternatively, you can opt for the manual installation method. Installing Comfy is straightforward. Just download and extract the portable standalone build for Windows. For the manual method, download multiple files and be meticulous about placing them in the correct folders, as there are different ways to run the Flux models. First, there's the standard Flux Dev model. Then you have the Flux Shell model, which is a faster version of the standard model that can generate images in only 4 steps, albeit with slightly reduced quality compared to the standard model. Installing and configuring Flux is straightforward. Here's the gist. Download and extract. Get the portable standalone build for Windows from the link provided. Extract it to your desired location. Manual installation. Download multiple files and place them in the correct folders. Be precise, as different Flux models require specific configurations. Flux Dev model, the standard model for general use. Flux Shell model, a faster version of the Dev model, capable of generating images in just 4 steps, though with slightly reduced quality. FP8 models, newly released versions of the Dev and Shell models that are optimized for better performance and require less VRAM. These are highly recommended. If you prefer, you can still use the original models, but the FP8 versions are generally better. Now, start downloading the models by clicking on the appropriate files and versions. Don't forget to download the text encoders as well. By the end, you should have around 6 different files. I decided to download the FP8 versions of the models, so let's start with that. First, I'll select the 2 models and use CTRL to cut them. Then, go to your Configure UI folder, navigate to Models, then Unit, and paste the models there. Next, select the T5X XL and clip L Safe T5 models. Use CTRL to cut them and then go inside the clip folder within models to paste them. Finally, there's one last file called AESC. Select it, use CTRL, and paste it inside the VAE folder. That's it. Now, you can initiate the configuration. Once everything is imported into the workflow, you're all set to start having some fun. Everything should be pre-selected, so all you need to do is input your prompt, select the resolution for your image, and click Queue Prompt. After a few seconds, you'll get something like this. For me, it takes around 14 seconds to generate an image. However, keep in mind that this image required about 60 GB of RAM because the Flux model, compared to Stable Diffusion 3 or other models, has 12 billion parameters, significantly more than the 2 billion parameters of Stable Diffusion 3. So it uses much more RAM to generate a single picture. To ensure you're generating images with your GPU as quickly as possible, follow these steps. First, if you're using a 3090 or 4090 GPU, you're in luck. These cards have enough VRAM to generate an image in as little as 14 seconds. However, to achieve this speed, you'll need to tweak a setting in your NVIDIA control panel. Open the NVIDIA control panel and navigate to Manage 3D Settings. Find the CUDA SysM Fallback Policy setting. Set it to Prefer No SysM Fallback and click Apply. Now, let me explain what this does. Normally, when an application uses more VRAM than your GPU has available, it offloads some of the work to your system's RAM, which significantly slows down the image generation process. By choosing No SysM Fallback, you're ensuring that only your GPU's VRAM is used, allowing for the fastest possible image generation. If you don't have a 3090 or 4090 GPU, definitely avoid activating this option. In fact, if your VRAM is less than 16 GB, you should enable CIS fallback instead. Also, make sure to set the wait type to FP8E4M3FN to avoid longer image generation times. For GPUs with even less VRAM, like 12 or 8 GB, ensure you're using the FP8 version of the model and set the clip name to FP16 to reduce VRAM usage. On the other hand, if you have more than 60 GB of VRAM, opt for the FP8 version to speed up image generation, provided you have enough VRAM to handle the operation. For example, with a 4090 GPU, I use this setup to generate images. I input my prompt and get an image like this in around 15 seconds. It's impressive. Also, there's another model called Flux Shell, a super fast version of Flux. To use it, select Flux Shell FP8, keep the settings default, and reduce the number of steps from 20 to 4. With this setup, you can generate images like this one in about 2 seconds. Still high quality, but incredibly fast. There's a slight dip in quality with this model compared to the previous version, which is understandable given the fewer steps it uses. Despite this, it still produces images that surpass anything we've seen before. For even more efficiency with less VRAM, consider using Flux, which performs exceptionally well at 512x 512 resolution. For instance, this image was generated almost instantaneously, literally in 0 seconds. I barely had time to finish my sentence before the image appeared. It's truly impressive. When I said this is the best model we've encountered, I meant it. It really is unparalleled. If you don't have a high-powered computer or GPU, you can still take advantage of this technology. You can rent a GPU for a few cents an hour on platforms like RunPod and use Comfy UI as if it were running on your local machine. I'll walk you through how to do that. If you haven't done it already, click the link in the description below to create a new account on RunPod. Next, deploy a GPU pod. To save some money, switch from Secure Cloud to Community Cloud. Scroll down until you find a 24 GB VRAM card, such as the RTX 3090 or RTX 5000. Either will work fine. Select your card, then click Change Template. Search for Comfy UI in the template options and choose the one by Ashley Cuzza. Edit the template, increasing the container disk size from 10 GB to 50 GB. Click Set Overrides and then Deploy on Demand. Once deployed, click Connect and access port 8888. Comfy UI should already be installed, so you won't need to set it up again. Now you need to install and place the models in the right folders. If you're one of my picture supporters, I've prepared some special files for you to simplify this process. Go to the Comfy UI folder and drag and drop one of the 3 files I've provided, A, B, or C. File A installs an optimized version of the Flux model for quicker image generation with the available VRAM. File B installs the standard Flux model, which takes about 30 seconds to generate an image. File C installs Flux Chandelle, the super-fast model that generates images in roughly 2 seconds, but with slightly reduced quality compared to the standard model. File A is my recommended choice for a balance of speed and quality. To streamline the process, here's a simplified version. Drag and drop. Select the file you need and drag it into the workspace. Terminal commands, open the terminal and paste the 2 command lines from the Patreon post. Press enter to automatically download the models into the correct folders. This may take a bit of time, but no further manual steps are needed. Launch Config UI. Go back and click on port 3000 to launch the Config UI. Load the workflow by selecting the first option. Update Comfy, click on the manager and choose Update Comfy UI. Once you see the update confirmation message, click Close, then Restart. Confirm if prompted to reboot the server. Relaunch port 3000, close the window, ensure you use the right model with the FP8 weight type, specifically the FP8 Safe TS model. Use the model, write your prompt, click Queue Prompt, and in a few seconds you'll see the generated result. For manual setup, download models, right-click the model you want to download and select Copy Link. Navigate to the desired folder, open Terminal, and use the wget command to download the model directly. Refresh in Comfy UI. After downloading, refresh Comfy UI to see the new file in the list. Generate output, use your prompt, click Queue Prompt, and view the results. The model can create impressive images quickly, although it may not be as advanced as the base model. It's excellent for generating various types of content, but it might be less censored compared to others. Training this model could be challenging due to its size, potentially requiring substantial computational power, but currently it's an impressive tool even in its free form. Flux, the best free uncensored AI model out there. Did you know that Flux's open access nature allows it to evolve and adapt faster than its counterparts? It's truly redefining the AI landscape. What do you think will be the next big leap for AI technology? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and hit that subscribe button for more cutting-edge updates. In the past month, we've seen some groundbreaking advancements in AI that are pushing the boundaries of technology. A new AI model can now create videos that seem even more lifelike than reality itself. Claude 3.5 has emerged as a serious competitor to OpenAI's GPT-4, and Google DeepMind has made significant strides with its AI brain research, delving into the complexities of human cognition. Meanwhile, Elon Musk's xAI has introduced its Socrates model, and there's fresh news about GPT-5, along with notable developments from Apple and Meta in the AI arena. Apple's integration of ChatGPT has stirred quite a reaction from Elon Musk. The company has claimed to have built the framework for AGI, and Google DeepMind has unveiled its V2A model. Additionally, a new free Sora AI competitor called Kling has arrived, and Dot is quickly becoming the go-to AI companion for gamers with its release as the first-ever gaming AI assistant. OpenAI is ambitiously exploring the use of nuclear energy to power superhuman AI, though they face significant hurdles. We're covering all these exciting updates and more, so let's dive right in. If you've been keeping up with the latest AI news, you're probably eagerly awaiting OpenAI's release of their new Sora model. But while we've been waiting, a Chinese company called Qshou has dropped a game-changing AI model named Kling. This new model is making waves with its capabilities, often surpassing expectations. Kling, developed by Qshou, known for their popular app Qiyu, is a video generation model that rivals Sora, and in some aspects may even outshine it. What sets Kling apart is its open access nature, allowing more users to explore its potential. Imagine inputting a simple prompt like, a Chinese man sitting at a table eating noodles with chopsticks, and Kling generates a video that's so realistic it's almost indistinguishable from real life. This is a significant leap forward from previous models, such as the infamous video of Will Smith eating noodles, which seemed more like a horror movie. Kling can generate videos up to 2 minutes long in full 1080p at 30 frames per second. Its diffusion transformer architecture helps translate rich textual prompts into vivid, realistic scenes, while its proprietary 3D variational autoencoder supports various aspect ratios through variable resolution training. This means it can produce high-quality videos across different dimensions. One of Kling's standout features is its advanced 3D face and body reconstruction technology. It can create videos where characters exhibit full expressions and natural limb movements from just a single full body photo. This technology contributes to the lifelike appearance and consistency of the generated videos. China's rapid advancement in AI is becoming evident with Kling, hinting that they might be leading the charge in AI development. Although OpenAI has announced a release of Sora by year-end, Kling's early arrival puts the pressure on OpenAI to accelerate its release. Currently, Kling is accessible via the Qiyu app, but it requires a Chinese phone number, limiting its global availability for now. Kling isn't the first AI video generation model from China. Earlier in April, Kusho released VDU AI, capable of generating 16-second videos in 1080p. Kling represents the next evolution, offering longer and higher quality videos. Demo videos from Kling showcase its ability to handle complex scenes, such as an emperor angelfish swimming in a rocky underwater habitat, or a Lego character visiting an art gallery. The AI can simulate real-world physics, like milk pouring into a cup, and generate videos with temporal consistency, ensuring logical flow over extended durations. Overall, Kling highlights China's growing prowess in AI video generation, potentially setting the stage for a competitive race in AI development. With OpenAI's response to Kling likely imminent, the landscape of AI technology is set for even more exciting developments. In other news, OpenAI has reactivated its robotics team after a 3-year hiatus. With AI-driven robotics investments on the rise, OpenAI is now hiring research engineers to focus on training multimodal models and optimizing core technologies. This move suggests a strategic shift towards integrating AI with robotics, hinting at a promising future for AI-powered robotics. Anthropic has just unveiled Claude 3.5 Sonnet, their latest AI model that's making waves for its impressive performance, especially in comparison to OpenAI's GPT-4. This new model comes with some exciting features that set it apart, such as enhanced humor comprehension, better handling of complex workflows, and improved interpretation of charts and graphs. So what's the scoop with Claude 3.5 Sonnet? It's Anthropic's newest addition to their lineup, following a quirky naming convention where HAO represents their smallest model, Sonnet is mid-tier, and Opus is top of the line. Despite its odd naming system, Claude 3.5 Sonnet is generating buzz for its ability to compete with heavyweights like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Google's Gemini 1.5. According to Anthropic, Claude 3.5 Sonnet is faster and more capable than its predecessor, Claude 3 Opus. In benchmarks, it has outperformed GPT-4, Gemini 1.5 Pro, and Meta's Llama 3400B in areas like graduate-level reasoning and coding. However, it's worth noting that benchmark scores can be selective, and the AI landscape evolves quickly, so real-world performance is what really counts. Claude 3.5 Sonnet brings some cool new capabilities to the table. It's better at code writing and translation, handling multi-step workflows, and interpreting visual data. Plus, its enhanced sense of humor and more human-like writing style could make interactions feel more natural. It can also transcribe text from images with high accuracy, a handy feature for digitizing documents or improving accessibility. If you're eager to try Claude 3.5 Sonnet, you're in luck. It's available for free on Claude's website and the iOS app. Subscribers to Claude Pro or Team plans get higher usage limits, and developers can access it through Anthropic's API, Amazon Bedrock, or Google Cloud's Vertex AI. Pricing is quite competitive, with $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens. The model's 200K token context window allows it to handle large amounts of data effectively, which is great for big projects. Anthropic is also introducing a feature called Artifacts, allowing users to see and interact with the results of their requests directly in the app. This could make working with AI more integrated and user-friendly, moving beyond simple chat interactions. Looking ahead, Anthropic plans to roll out more models, including Claude 3.5 Haiku and Claude 3.5 Opus. They're also developing features like memory to personalize interactions and exploring new business use cases. With a focus on improving the balance between intelligence, speed, and cost, Anthropic is positioning itself strongly in the AI market. What do you think of Claude 3.5 Sonnet? Are you excited to test it out and see how it stacks up against other AI models? Researchers from Harvard University and Google DeepMind have achieved a groundbreaking milestone. They've created an artificial brain for a virtual rat that can control its movements in an incredibly realistic physics simulation. This pioneering work, published in the esteemed journal Nature, opens up immense possibilities for understanding real brain function and controlling complex behaviors. And it could pave the way for more advanced and adaptable robots in the future. Here's a closer look at what the Harvard and DeepMind team has accomplished and why it's such a game changer. Building the virtual rat. The first monumental task was constructing an accurate virtual rat brain biomechanical model within a sophisticated physics simulator called Muhoko. This virtual rat had to adhere to the laws of physics, including factors like gravity, friction, and the musculoskeletal mechanics of a real rat. The team utilized a vast data set of high-resolution motion data from real rats engaging in various natural behaviors to create and validate this virtual rodent model. Crafting the artificial neural network. With the anatomical model in place, the next step was to develop an artificial neural network capable of controlling the virtual body's biomechanics and replicating the diverse movements seen in biological data. This is where DeepMind's expertise in machine learning came into play. By applying advanced deep reinforcement learning techniques and using inverse dynamics modeling, a method theorized to mirror how our brains control complex movements. The neural network learned to output precise patterns of forces to actuate the virtual rat's joints and muscles, unveiling the neural network's capabilities. Remarkably, the neural network was able to generalize its learning to produce realistic rat behaviors and movements not explicitly trained on, mirroring the way biological brains transition between different operational regimes for various behaviors like grooming, running, or rearing. The network also handled redundancy by implementing a minimal intervention strategy, optimizing force and energy expenditure similar to biological motor systems. Insights into neural coding. By analyzing how variability in neural activations mapped to movement deviations, researchers uncovered structured patterns of neural fluctuations, offering insights into neural coding strategies used by the brain. The fully observable and controllable virtual system allowed for unprecedented access to neural mechanisms behind overt actions and covert cognitive processes. New paradigm for neuroscience. This virtual rat brain opens a new frontier in neuroscience, providing a sandbox for testing theories about neural circuits and computational processes. It allows for controlled experiments and causal manipulations that are challenging to achieve with biological specimens alone. The model could also simulate neurological conditions or injuries, offering a powerful tool for understanding brain disorders and testing therapies. Revolutionizing robotics. Beyond neuroscience, this advancement has the potential to transform robotics. By studying how the virtual rat brain coordinates its biomechanics, roboticists might abstract core principles of biological intelligence to create robots that adapt their control strategies in response to their environments, optimize force and energy expenditure, and maintain robust operation despite failures. Connection to nuclear fusion. Interestingly, this innovation links to nuclear fusion simulation. Google DeepMind's Thorax simulator, developed for studying complex plasma physics in fusion reactors, uses advanced machine learning frameworks similar to those employed in the virtual rat brain. Thorax combines high-fidelity physics modeling with state-of-the-art machine learning to address complex systems analysis, paralleling the approach that enabled the virtual rat brain breakthrough. This new era of simulation holds exciting possibilities and raises important ethical questions about replicating conscious minds and managing existential risks. Google has just unveiled a groundbreaking update to their video generation model, VO, part of their DeepMind project. This model can now create video clips from a single reference image. You provide a picture and some text instructions, and VO will generate a whole video clip based on that. For instance, they demonstrated it with an image of a woman's hands holding a large amethyst crystal. The new model produced a video clip that was not only animated, but also maintained the original style with no glitches or loss of quality. It's incredibly realistic, perhaps a bit too realistic. Another example featured an elderly woman in a straw hat sitting beside a brown and white dog. The video prompt was, "A woman gazes lovingly at her loyal dog," and the result was stunning and capturing the essence and details from just one image. Additionally, Google introduced a Video FX update, allowing developers to create full HD videos from text prompts using VOO. This could be a game changer for artists, content creators, and developers alike. On another front, Google has added a new Gemini AI button to several Google Suite apps like Gmail and Docs. This feature lets you ask questions, write emails, and get document summaries. However, it's still in development, so we're not sure when it will be fully available. But it's not all smooth sailing. Google's AI overviews and search have faced some backlash. Users have noticed odd and inaccurate summaries, like the infamous "How many rocks should I eat?" which raised concerns. Google has responded by rolling back the feature, improving detection of nonsensical queries, and refining their handling of user-generated content. They're also adding more safeguards for sensitive topics. Moving on, let's talk about Elon Musk's AI company, xAI. They're rolling out new modes for their Grok AI chatbot, Socrates, and DEI. DEI stands for Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion, and it focuses on handling responses with sensitivity and inclusivity. Socrates mode, still in development, might encourage deeper and more meaningful conversations. This expansion is intriguing, especially with Musk's tendency to stir the pot. 11 Labs, known for their AI-generated human voices and music, has launched a new sound effects AI tool. It lets you create custom sound effects just by typing a prompt, offering up to 22 seconds of audio with multiple options to choose from. This tool is free for non-commercial use, but has paid tiers for commercial projects. It's designed to make sound creation quick and easy. Finally, researchers at Cambridge University have developed a fascinating invention, a robotic third thumb. It's a mechanical digit controlled by your toes, and it's surprisingly easy to use. Tested by people aged 3 to 96, it's shown to be highly accessible and could be beneficial for various tasks, including aiding those missing a finger. The future of this technology is being shaped now, and we all have a role in guiding its development responsibly. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the future of AI with Win. Gen 3 is on the way. We're diving into all the electrifying details and what these upgrades mean for the future of robotics. Don't miss it. And hey, why did the robot go on vacation? Because it needed to recharge its batteries. In 2026, it's clear that the possibilities are vast. You can instruct Optimus to perform a wide variety of tasks, and surprisingly, Elon Musk's optimism might be well-founded. Optimus is set to receive 4 major updates that will introduce capabilities never seen before. This is why so many people are holding off on their orders. With a price tag of around $20,000, the potential returns could be in the hundreds of thousands annually. What can Optimus actually do once it's in your home? That largely hinges on these upcoming 4 updates. Tesla has made impressive strides in a short time, racing to get their humanoid robots into consumers' hands. However, there's still a considerable journey ahead before Optimus is ready for the market. Even with its relatively affordable price, if Optimus doesn't meet customer expectations, it could end up feeling more like a high-tech toy than a valuable asset. To boost its utility, Elon Musk has outlined several promising updates for this year. Among them, 4 significant enhancements stand out as potentially transformative for Optimus. Number 1, Optimus will get a movement speed upgrade. The general consensus acknowledges the progress Tesla has made with its robot, Optimus. However, a major concern is why Optimus still moves at a slower pace compared to other humanoid robots. The humanoid robots from companies like Boston Dynamics, Unitree, and Keppers often feature a bent knee gait. Similar to Tesla's Optimus, this design isn't just a stylistic choice, it's a functional necessity. A bent knee posture lowers the robot's center of gravity, making it easier to maintain balance. This design allows for quicker adjustments in posture during sudden movements or uneven surfaces and helps conserve energy by reducing the torque needed for the motors. Despite this, it's crucial to focus on Optimus's speed rather than criticizing its walking posture. From Gen 1 to Gen 2, Tesla increased Optimus's movement speed by 30%, and a subsequent silent update boosted it by another 30%. This means the movement speed has increased by 60% since the prototype release. Nevertheless, Optimus currently moves at 6 meters per second, taking 132 steps in 78 seconds with a stride length of just over a foot. This is noticeably slower compared to competitors who often achieve speeds of around 2 meters per second, creating a significant performance gap. A slower speed affects Optimus's competitiveness, as many buyers prefer a more agile robot that reflects efficient joint, drivetrain, sensor, and battery performance. However, there's good news. Elon Musk and the Optimus engineering team have confirmed a major hardware update planned for the end of this year.
And I think we've got kind of like one major hardware revision, which should be done by end of this year.
This upgrade is expected to include improvements to the skeleton frame, actuators, joint point sensors, and battery, potentially resulting in a major speed enhancement. Milan Kovac, a Tesla Optimus engineering expert, has confirmed that future updates will not only increase speed, but also enhance Optimus's ability to handle varied terrains, including complex environments like Tesla's gigafactories and even smaller spaces like homes and roads. Despite these advancements, Tesla aims to maintain Optimus's human-like nature, which is a testament to their team's expertise. If Tesla maintains a 30% increase in speed over the next few months, this could lead to a 3 to 4-fold improvement by late 2025, potentially reaching speeds of up to 5 miles per hour. While these advancements are promising, optimizing the upper body, particularly the hands, is crucial. High-end, human-like hands are essential for intricate tasks, from gripping objects to operating devices. Without flexible and accurate hand functionality, even a high-speed robot could fall short in practical applications. Therefore, enhancing the hands should be a top priority in Tesla's development process. Number 2, Optimus will have the best new hand in the world. Do you think that even without upgrades, Optimus's hand is still unique compared to other humanoid robots? Most robots have hands with 3 or 4 fingers, often resembling crab claws, and it's rare to see a 5-fingered hand. Despite the growing number of humanoid robots from North America and China, the 5-finger design of Optimus is meant to make it as human-like as possible, providing it with more degrees of freedom.
Our next generation has 22 degrees of freedom. It will be able to play the piano. So it's really like, wow.
Optimus's next-generation hands will feature 22 degrees of freedom, allowing it to play the piano and perform tasks like making a sandwich, folding clothes, and cleaning the kitchen, all without human assistance. Elon Musk's promises about these advancements make the future seem incredibly exciting. Imagine a robot with 22 degrees of freedom being able to do such a range of activities. To clarify, degrees of freedom refer to the number of independent movements a robot can make. In humanoid robots, this means the joints can move in multiple ways, enabling complex tasks like grasping objects of various shapes, writing, or delicate manipulations. This flexibility allows Optimus to handle precise tasks in industries like medical manufacturing or service. Currently, with 11 degrees of freedom, Optimus's hand already surpasses many robots that only have 5 or 6. NVIDIA's senior research manager, Jim Fan, has praised Optimus's hands as some of the best in the industry. With a total of 27 degrees of freedom across its hands, the 22 degrees in Optimus's hands will come close to matching human hands in capability. This advancement signals that the next generation Optimus Gen 3 is on the horizon, likely coming later this year. Additionally, at the Tesla 2024 shareholder meeting, Musk hinted at even more exciting updates. Imagine if Optimus could not only speak like Siri, but also perform the actions it describes. Number 3, Optimus will be added with languages and voices.
We'll be able to customize the personality, customize the voice, and really kind of the robot will kind of get to know you as well and know your preferences. You won't even have to say things because it'll just kind of understand you.
With Tesla's likely global commercialization of Optimus, it will need to support multiple languages. Elon Musk has confirmed that the next update will include this feature. Currently, Optimus's head primarily houses 2D cameras, which connect to its neural network, allowing the robot to perform tasks by observing its surroundings. There's speculation that Tesla might introduce a face with an interactive screen for communication and information display. However, adding a microphone and speaker to enable speech is not beyond Tesla's capabilities. With these additions, Optimus could gather sounds, understand human speech, and use natural language processing to respond appropriately. Elon Musk has revealed that users will be able to customize Optimus's communication style and speed, tailoring it to their preferences. The robot will not only be able to reflect individual personalities and habits, but will also adapt quickly without needing extensive instructions. Unlike other humanoid robots, which can take months to learn new tasks, Optimus will rapidly understand and react based on user context. For example, if you point to the refrigerator and then to a cup, it might just bring you a beer, though that's just a playful example. The most crucial update for Optimus will be its self-learning ability, which will set it apart from competitors and ensure its success in the market. Number 4, Optimus will continue to be AI optimized.
It can watch a video of something like a person and then learn just by looking at that video and do that task.
Last month, we saw Tesla's Optimus robot in action, where it effortlessly fixed a mistake of dropping 4,680 battery cells during sorting. This quick self-correction highlights Tesla's impressive progress in robot self-learning. At the recent Tesla shareholder meeting, Elon Musk revealed that by 2026, Optimus will be capable of performing a wide array of tasks, including those it hasn't been explicitly programmed for. This opens up a future brimming with potential and surprises. Currently, Optimus still needs training, but this will become less necessary in the coming years. Soon, simply watching videos or observing others will be enough for it to learn new tasks. Tesla is focusing heavily on enhancing Optimus's autonomous learning capabilities this year. By processing video data through its neural network, Optimus will be able to see and automatically determine its actions, turning vision into execution. This isn't just about advanced machinery, it's about Tesla's end-to-end neural network, which encompasses everything from data intake to decision making, powered by real-world AI. Tesla's Optimus is integrated with the full self-driving software found in its electric vehicles. But unlike full self-driving updates, Optimus software updates require a subscription. Each update significantly expands Optimus's capabilities, from simple tasks like picking up and folding a shirt to more complex actions. According to Milan Kovac on X, Tesla is making strides in Optimus's software system, continually enhancing its utility and performance. We're focusing on repeatability across the fleet, training the neural net to deal with dynamic calibration and small bot-to-bot variants. Ultimately, we're about to witness a wave of extraordinary AI innovations before they become officially available for sale or lease. While working on this episode, it dawned on us that in the future, Optimus might be able to monitor your emotional state, reaching out to your family or friends if it detects signs of depression or other mental health conditions, such as a stroke. On a more exciting note, it could also alert you to high blood pressure or elevated heart rates. Meanwhile, millions of people will likely dream of having an Optimus to care for their parents full-time. It could significantly reduce the stress for elderly individuals whose children need to leave home to handle prescriptions, groceries, or other daily tasks they currently manage alone. To truly make Optimus accessible to the masses, it needs to be affordable for people who may not have a lot of money to spend, while also proving useful for a variety of tasks. In several of our episodes, many viewers shared their plans to rent Optimus initially to see if it could help with their busy lives, particularly as they age and face increasing challenges. They also mentioned that spending $20,000 to $60,000 on a robot is not feasible for them. Looking ahead, the future of Tesla's Optimus is something we eagerly anticipate, especially with the upcoming updates. According to Morgan Stanley, which studied Tesla's humanoid robot and the impact of AI on robotics, humanoid robots are expected to evolve faster and have a greater impact than autonomous cars. The firm believes the potential of humanoid robots is significantly larger and faster to adopt compared to autonomous vehicles, with substantial investment likely to follow. Morgan Stanley predicts that by 2040, there could be up to 8 million humanoid robots, leading to a $357 billion wage impact. And by 2050, the number might reach 63 million, with a $3 trillion wage impact. During Tesla's 2024 annual shareholder meeting, CEO Elon Musk suggested that humanoids might eventually outnumber humans, possibly by a ratio of 2 to 1 or even more. This could mean as many as 10 to 30 billion humanoid robots in the future. As Tesla continues to push the boundaries of robotics, we are entering an era where robots could become more than just tools. They could become intelligent collaborators. This represents a significant shift in how we view autonomy and machine intelligence. Elon Musk's announcement of the Tesla bot Gen 2 Optimus is truly a game changer, boasting 4 incredible upgrades that put it ahead of the competition. Did you know that Gen 2 Optimus is designed to work alongside humans in ways we've never seen before, pushing the boundaries of robotics? Before you go, we want to hear from you. What feature are you most excited about, and how do you think it will impact our daily lives? Drop your thoughts below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching. Welcome back to AI with Win. Today, we're diving into WebSim, the ultimate game changer in web technology. Imagine an AI so powerful it can simulate entire online ecosystems, predict trends, and transform your digital experience. In this deep dive, we'll explore how WebSim works, its incredible potential, and what it means for the future of the web. Ready to witness the future unfold? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started on this exciting journey into the world of WebSim. Introducing WebSim, an innovative AI platform that's completely free to try out. Signing up is simple, just use your Google or Discord account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main page where you can explore creations from other users. In a moment, I'll showcase some cool examples. If you're feeling creative, you can use the URL bar at the top to create your own website. Just type in a prompt like make XYZ or an imaginary URL like twitterfordogs.com, and WebSim will generate the website or app for you instantly. Although the website or URL doesn't actually exist on the internet, you're building it within this virtual environment, a simulated internet. Essentially, WebSim is crafting its own alternative internet. How amazing is that? All right, let's dive in. Today, I'm going to show you just how simple it is to use WebSim. All you need to do is type in your prompt or URL here, or you can upload a reference image. Next, choose the AI model. I always recommend using the newest and most intelligent model, which is Sonnet 3.5 right now. This tool can create a variety of things, so let's start with something simple. I'm going to create an online store to sell my shoes. I'll name it coolshoes.store and hit enter to see what it generates. WebSim has been around for a while, but it wasn't that impressive until the launch of Sonnet 3.5 last week. This new version is incredible. It can create entire games, websites, or apps with just one prompt. If you haven't seen my video on Sonnet 3.5 yet, check it out to see all the amazing things it can do. With this tool linked to Sonnet 3.5, you can unlock a ton of creative possibilities, which I'll demonstrate in this video. Alright, you can see now it's creating my online shoe store. It even uses an AI image generator to create photos of shoes for me. How cool is that? Remember, this is a completely fictional website that only exists in WebSim, not on the actual internet. You can save this web page by clicking the icon in the top right corner and then selecting Download Website. This will download an HTML file to your computer, and when you open it with Chrome, you'll see it's a standalone website, excluding the images. There you go. A landing page created in just a few seconds. Back in WebSim, you'll notice that the words link to other pages. For example, if you hover over About Us, you'll see the URL is Cool Shoes Store About. This page hasn't been created yet, but you can click on it and WebSim will generate it on the fly. I didn't need to prompt it further. It just knows to automatically create the About page, keeping the same styling as the home page. Here we go. Here's the About Us page. Now, let's click on Catalog and see what we get. Again, it's generating this page on the fly. Very cool. Now, these are not all shoes, so you might need to edit the products and descriptions, but it's already quite impressive. You can sort by different options and select your category. If there's a page that doesn't exist yet, you can create it by editing the URL. For example, to create a refund policy page, you can type coolshoes-store/refund policy, and WebSim will generate it on the fly. Notice it keeps the menu and header consistent, as well as the orange color of the headers. You can also create subpages. For example, you could create a casual subpage under the catalog by typing Cool Shoes Store Catalog Casual. WebSim will generate this page based on the URL. You might notice some alignment problems, but you can prompt it further to fix these issues or add new features. For instance, if I want a shopping cart icon in the top right, I can prompt it to add one, and there it is. Very cool. There's even more you can do to customize the URL. For websites, you can add parameters at the end of the URL. To add parameters, start with a question mark, then add the name of the parameter and its value. If you want to add another parameter, you can follow the same format. Let me show you an example. Right now, the prices are in USD. Let's change the currency to Japanese yen. We can add a parameter at the end of the URL called currency and set it to JPY. Let's see what happens. Very cool. Not only did it change the currency to Japanese yen, but it also switched the language to Japanese. How impressive is that? Now, let's add another parameter. If you already have an existing parameter and want to add another, just use the AND symbol. This time, let's set the website to dark mode by writing dark_mode =on. Let's see what that generates. It should create a website with darker colors. How cool is that? There's also a button at the top to switch between dark and light modes. Very impressive. Yeah, if you don't like the current look and want to revert back to a previous page, just click on the URL bar and scroll through the prompts you've entered. For instance, if I want to go back to a specific generation, I'll click on it and it takes me back. Note that clicking on the home page or About Us links generates a new page on the fly, not the previous version. Now, let's try something trickier. Instead of coolshoes.store, I'm going to write animals.encyclopedia and see what it gives us. Very cool. You can search for any animal and see different categories. Let's click on mammals. It's showing us some examples of mammals, and it's generating these images using AI on the fly. Some images, like the blue whale and platypus, might not look real, so you'll need to plug in some images yourself. Clicking Learn More for the lion generates a Wikipedia-like page. It's like creating an alternative Wikipedia within this simulation. You can even listen to a lion's roar, although it doesn't actually have audio yet. Next, I'll add more parameters, like language =Spanish and dark_mode =true. Let's see what we get. Very nice. The language is set to Spanish, and the website is now in dark mode. Let's push its limits. I'll go back home and start a new website. What if I type reddit.com? Oh my god, this AI creates its own version of Reddit. This AI can generate its own simulated version of existing websites. Imagine having a personalized version of Reddit or Facebook. This is heading into sci-fi territory, but it could mean personalized internets for everyone. You don't have to type a URL, you can type a regular prompt. For example, I'm going to write make a Twitter, but all the users are dogs. Holy smokes, it even renamed Twitter to Pupster. This is a preliminary version of Twitter with dog users. I'm going to test this further by taking a screenshot of the left sidebar of the actual Twitter, pasting it here, and asking it to add this sidebar and a right sidebar like Twitter. This is insane. It even pulled some icons from Twitter and added popular tags like Squirrel Watch, Barking News, and Treats for All. Finally, I'll create a Tinder-like site but with cats. The site is called Meow Match. This is a Tinder interface created in seconds. You can like or dislike cats like Nala or Whiskers. This AI could allow people to create their own virtual internets with personalized fake websites and content. But creating websites is just the beginning. Let's go back home and type piano.synth. Whoa, it generates a piano synth with just one prompt. You can play keys, record, play, stop, and switch sound waves. Let's try sawtooth. Holy smokes, it really is a sawtooth sound. That's already very impressive. Let's enhance our project by adding even more features. I'm going to write settings for reverb, delay, attack, and release. Let's see if we can get these settings working. First, here's our default sound. When I increase the release, the sound should last longer. Let's give it a try. Great, that works. So, attack and release are functioning, but reverb and delay aren't. You can always prompt further by saying, reverb or delay doesn't work, please fix it. Now, let me show you something cooler. I'm going to add this piano to another page. For simplicity, I'll remove these settings and revert to the original piano synth. Perfect, it still works. At the top, I'll click the bookmark icon to save this page. I'll name it Piano and press Publish. Now this page is published under WebSim. Your username. My username is Bob, so it's published as websim.bobpiano. You can name it whatever you like. For instance, if I open a new window and paste this link into the URL bar, it takes us to this piano synth. Anyone can use it without logging into WebSim. If you find another plugin, all you need to do is add it to your browser's real URL bar, not the fake one. For example, a user named C5R has created some impressive plugins. One popular plugin is the IDE plugin, which lets you view and edit the source code of a web page. To add this plugin, simply append plugin =C5R/IDE to your URL. You'll see an IDE button on the page, which, when clicked, opens a developer console view to inspect elements, networks, and more. This way, you don't need to download the HTML file every time you want to see the code. You can view it directly on your page. Let's try something more complex. In the URL, type audio.visualizer and hit enter. You'll notice it generates an audio visualizer without needing specific details. For example, you can upload a song and adjust settings effortlessly. Now, let's create something even more challenging. Type create an interactive Microsoft Paint app in the prompt. You can either type a simple prompt or a URL like microsoft.paint. After clicking generate, it might take a moment, but you'll see a fully functional Paint app where you can draw, change colors, and use various tools like lines, rectangles, and circles. For another example, let's create a Microsoft Excel app. Type create a Microsoft Excel app and click generate. You'll get a spreadsheet interface where you can input data and use basic formulas. If something doesn't work, like formula calculations, you can inspect errors by pressing Ctrl+Shift+1 in Chrome to open the console view and fix the issues accordingly. To add more functionality, let's incorporate these apps into a Windows XP desktop simulation. Start by typing make a blank desktop with a start menu in the lower left corner with regular Windows XP options and a plain gray background and click generate. You'll get a simulated desktop. Now, you can add the previously created apps, Piano, Paint, Excel, by appending their URLs. For instance, append the URL for the Paint app by typing add Paint as an app on the desktop and linking to your Paint app URL. Repeat for Excel and any other apps. Finally, change the desktop background to the original Windows XP wallpaper by copying the image address and adding it to your prompt. Now, you've created a Windows XP desktop simulation with functional apps. You can keep exploring and adding more features to make it even more interactive and complex. Enjoy experimenting and share your coolest projects. Thanks for diving into the world of WebSim with me today. Did you know that WebSim can predict user preferences with over 90% accuracy? Imagine how this could revolutionize your online experience. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI insights. Let me know if there's anything specific you'd like to adjust or add. I'd love to hear your thoughts. How do you think AI like WebSim will change the way we interact with the internet in the next decade? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the future of AI with Win. AI PCs are revolutionizing education by bringing powerful AI capabilities directly to personal computers. This technology helps administrators with tasks like student application screening and performance prediction. Educators can personalize learning and create content more efficiently, while students benefit from tailored study materials and AI-driven support tools. Follow AI with Win for more on this exciting advancement in education. Welcome to AI with Win. From speeding up order fulfillment to enhancing inventory management, these 10 groundbreaking robots are setting new standards in efficiency and innovation. Whether you're an industry professional, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about the future of automation, you won't want to miss this. Join us as we explore the cutting-edge technology behind these incredible machines and discover how they're transforming the way warehouses operate. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Kiva Systems, now known as Amazon Robotics. This company changed the game in warehouse automation with its innovative approach to inventory management. Imagine robots that can move shelves of products directly to human workers. These robots navigate a grid system on the floor, using advanced sensors and navigation technology to move seamlessly across the warehouse. This method drastically cuts down the time and effort needed to find and retrieve items. By bringing shelves to stationary human workers, Kiva Systems optimized the picking process, increased speed, and minimized errors. Acquired by Amazon in 2012, this technology is now a staple in Amazon's fulfillment centers, boosting productivity and operational efficiency. Amazon Robotics continues to innovate, pushing the boundaries of what warehouse automation can achieve. Next, we have Boston Dynamics Handle Robot. If you've ever seen a robot that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, it's probably from Boston Dynamics. The Handle Robot is a fascinating blend of agility and efficiency. Standing at 6.5 feet tall and equipped with wheels instead of legs, Handle can move at 9 miles per hour and navigate various terrains with ease. It can switch between upright and crouch postures, making it flexible for different tasks. Whether it's handling logistics in a warehouse or potentially assisting in disaster response, Handle combines the best features of wheeled and legged robots. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Boston Dynamics continues to push the boundaries, showing how mobility and dexterity can be effectively integrated into practical robotic systems. Now, let's dive into Right Hand Robotics. This company is at the forefront of robotic automation, specializing in advanced picking solutions for e-commerce, retail, and logistics. Their technology combines machine learning, intelligent grippers, and sophisticated computer vision systems to enable robots to handle a variety of items with precision and efficiency. This is crucial in modern warehouses, where the diversity of products and the demand for quick order processing are constantly increasing. Right Hand Robotic Systems integrate seamlessly with existing infrastructure, enhancing productivity and reducing labor costs. Their flagship product, Right Pick, showcases their dedication to improving the speed and accuracy of item handling in complex environments. Through partnerships with industry leaders, Right Hand Robotics is shaping the future of supply chain management and e-commerce fulfillment. Moving on, Fetch Robotics specializes in autonomous mobile robots tailored for material handling and warehouse operations. Their product lineup includes the Fetch Freight series, which transports items efficiently within a warehouse. These robots navigate complex environments autonomously, boosting operational efficiency and reducing the need for manual labor. Fetch Robotics also offers the Fetch Cart Connect, a versatile solution that integrates with existing conveyor systems, streamlining the material handling process. Their robots are equipped with advanced navigation and obstacle avoidance technologies, ensuring safe and reliable operation in dynamic warehouse environments. By leveraging these cutting-edge solutions, businesses can optimize logistics operations, enhance productivity, and achieve greater flexibility in managing their supply chains. Next up is the Gray Arrange Butler, an advanced autonomous mobile robot designed to revolutionize warehouse operations. This robot navigates through warehouse spaces, picking and delivering items autonomously. By leveraging cutting-edge AI and robotics, the Butler enhances inventory management and streamlines order fulfillment processes. Its ability to work continuously boosts efficiency and productivity. The Gray Arrange Butler uses a sophisticated navigation system to avoid obstacles and adapt to changing environments. It integrates with warehouse management systems to ensure real-time inventory tracking, reducing errors, and improving accuracy. This robot is vital for businesses aiming to optimize supply chain operations, ensuring faster order processing and delivery while minimizing operational costs. Locus Robotics brings us the next innovation with its collaborative robots, or cobots, designed to work alongside human pickers in warehouses. These cobots enhance efficiency and accuracy in order fulfillment, addressing the growing demands of e-commerce and logistics industries. Locus's autonomous robots navigate warehouse floors, guiding human workers to the correct items and optimizing picking routes. This reduces physical strain on employees and minimizes errors, resulting in faster and more accurate order processing. By integrating with existing warehouse management systems, Locus Robotics provides a scalable solution for businesses looking to improve productivity. Their technology increases throughput and offers real-time data insights, enabling better inventory management and decision-making. Six River Systems, a subsidiary of Shopify, is next on our list. They revolutionize warehouse operations with their innovative Chuck robots. These autonomous mobile robots enhance efficiency and productivity in fulfillment centers. Chuck robots integrate with existing warehouse management systems and autonomously navigate to pick locations, reducing the time and effort required for manual item retrieval. Equipped with sophisticated sensors and AI, Chuck robots safely and accurately transport items, minimizing human error and physical strain on workers. This technology streamlines the picking process and allows warehouse staff to focus on higher value tasks, Since joining Shopify in 2019, Six River Systems has continued to advance its technology, helping businesses meet the growing demands of e-commerce with greater speed and efficiency. Geek Plus is another leader in robotic solutions designed to enhance warehouse logistics. Their innovative products include goods-to-person picking systems, sorting robots, and autonomous forklifts. These technologies automate the movement, sorting, and retrieval of goods, significantly boosting efficiency and accuracy. The goods-to-person systems enable quick and precise picking, reducing manual labor and error rates. Sorting robots handle high-speed parcel sorting, ideal for e-commerce and logistics centers. Autonomous forklifts ensure safe and efficient material handling, navigating complex warehouse environments with ease. By integrating AI and robotics, Geek Plus solutions optimize workflows, reduce operational costs, and improve overall productivity, making them a valuable partner for businesses aiming to modernize their logistics operations. Vecna Robotics specializes in autonomous mobile robots designed to optimize pallet movement, case picking, and conveyor systems integration in warehouses. Their advanced robotic solutions streamline warehouse operations by automating material handling tasks, enhancing efficiency, and reducing labor costs. Vecna's autonomous mobile robots are equipped with robust navigation systems and real-time data processing capabilities, allowing them to operate seamlessly in dynamic environments. These robots collaborate with human workers and other automated systems, ensuring a cohesive and productive workflow. Vecna Robotics' innovative approach supports businesses in scaling their logistics and warehousing capabilities, making them a leader in warehouse automation. Lastly, Otto Motors focuses on heavy-duty autonomous mobile robots designed to transport large and heavy items within industrial and warehouse environments. Leveraging advanced robotics technology, Otto Motors provides efficient, reliable, and scalable solutions for material handling. Their robots navigate complex environments autonomously, enhancing operational efficiency and safety. Otto Motors robots can carry substantial payloads, streamlining the logistics of transporting goods and reducing the need for manual labor. The company's focus on innovation ensures their products integrate seamlessly with existing infrastructure, offering flexibility and adaptability in diverse settings. By optimizing workflow and reducing downtime, Otto Motors helps businesses increase productivity and achieve a higher return on investment. These robots are designed to improve efficiency, accuracy, and safety in warehouse operations, catering to different needs and applications within the logistics and supply chain industry. Did you know that these robots can handle thousands of orders per day, significantly reducing operational costs? Now, here's a thought-provoking question for you. Which warehouse robot do you think will dominate the industry in the next 5 years? And why? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
I need the artifact. Tunoka. This.
Generative AI is revolutionizing filmmaking. Studios like Paramount and Disney are using AI to enhance special effects and create realistic, deepfake avatars. This technology is changing the way movies are made, raising important ethical questions. Stay informed with AI with Win. Welcome to AI with Win. Today we have an exciting show lined up, diving into the wildest, coolest, and sometimes downright mind-bending AI developments from June 2024. Buckle up because the future is happening right now, and it's way cooler than we ever imagined. First up, let's talk about Google DeepMind's latest AI model, Gemini 1.5 Pro. Announced at Google Cloud Next 2024, Gemini 1.5 Pro boasts dramatically enhanced performance and long context understanding capabilities. This model can process up to 1 million tokens of information consistently, opening up new possibilities for enterprises to create, discover, and build using AI. Imagine a gaming company providing a video analysis of a player's performance, complete with tips for improvement, or an insurance company combining video, images, and text inputs to create detailed incident reports, making the claims process smoother and faster. This is particularly groundbreaking for industries like gaming and insurance, where combining various data types can streamline processes and enhance user experiences. For example, insurance companies could significantly reduce the time required to process claims by using AI to automatically assess damage from uploaded photos and videos, providing quick and accurate estimates. Moreover, Gemini's ability to understand long context means it can provide more coherent and comprehensive reports, reducing the need for follow-ups and additional documentation. It can also help in content creation, research compilation, and strategic planning by processing vast amounts of data efficiently. Speaking of innovations, Samsung made waves with its latest Galaxy AI integration. During the Galaxy Unpacked event in July 2024, Samsung introduced new AI features across its Galaxy Z series and the entire Galaxy ecosystem. This new AI can automate daily tasks, enhance photo and video editing, and even provide personalized recommendations for users. It's a significant step towards making smart devices even smarter and more intuitive. For example, the AI can now suggest the best times for taking photos based on lighting conditions and help users manage their schedules by learning their routines and preferences. Samsung's AI can also integrate with home appliances, offering seamless connectivity and control over a smart home ecosystem. Imagine your refrigerator suggesting recipes based on the ingredients you have, or your washing machine optimizing cycles based on the types of clothes being washed. These integrations can make life more convenient and efficient, transforming our homes into intelligent living spaces. Beyond these, Samsung's AI can also monitor your health by tracking vital signs through wearable devices, offering personalized health advice and reminders. Now, let's move on to Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which has been making headlines for its advanced capabilities. Unlike previous iterations, Claude 3.5 can understand context, create detailed images, and provide creative solutions for business problems. One company even redesigned their entire product line in a single day using Claude 3.5. It's not just about speed, it's about quality and creativity that rivals human ingenuity. Imagine a marketing campaign that traditionally took weeks to plan and execute, now being conceptualized and launched in just a few hours, thanks to Claude's innovative abilities. This tool can be a game changer for startups and small businesses looking to compete with larger companies by leveling the playing field with rapid innovation and creative solutions. Businesses can now adapt quickly to market changes, launching new products and campaigns in record time, giving them a competitive edge in fast-paced industries. Claude 3.5's ability to generate human-like dialogue can also improve customer service by providing more natural and satisfying interactions. In the realm of generative video, Runway's Gen 2 model is pushing boundaries. Known for co-creating stable diffusion, Runway has been releasing new versions of its tools every few months. Gen 2 generates short but strikingly high-quality videos. The AI Film Festival organized by Runway showcases experimental movies made with these tools, attracting attention from major studios like Paramount and Disney, which are exploring AI for special effects and language overdubs. This technology could revolutionize Hollywood, allowing for more creative and cost-effective production processes. Filmmakers can now experiment with visual effects and editing styles that were previously too expensive or time-consuming, potentially leading to a new wave of independent and experimental cinema. Imagine a world where indie filmmakers have the same visual capabilities as big-budget studios, resulting in a more diverse and vibrant film industry. Runway's Gen 2 can also be used in education, creating engaging visual content for online learning platforms, making complex subjects more accessible and interesting. Elon Musk's xAI has introduced the Socrates AI model, aimed at achieving general artificial intelligence. This model promises to understand and generate human-like reasoning. Socrates could revolutionize fields such as education, where it could serve as an advanced tutor, and in business by providing strategic insights that were previously unimaginable. Apple's integration of ChatGPT into their devices promises a seamless and intelligent user experience. This integration allows users to interact with their devices more naturally, enhancing productivity and personalization. Imagine asking your devices not just to set a reminder, but to plan your entire vacation, complete with personalized itineraries based on your past trips. The future of tech is here, and it's smarter than ever. This could lead to a new era of personalized technology, where devices truly understand and anticipate user needs. With this integration, Apple is setting a new standard for smart assistants, making them an indispensable part of our daily lives. Imagine your device suggesting workout routines based on your fitness goals, or even curating playlists that match your mood and activities throughout the day. Apple's AI can also assist in professional settings, helping manage emails, schedule meetings, and provide insights from data analytics. Let's turn to robotics for a moment. Google DeepMind has also been making strides in this field with the introduction of the AutoRT system, a new robotics platform that combines large foundation models like visual language models, VLM, and large language models, LLM, with robotic control models. This system can deploy robots to gather training data in novel environments, directing multiple robots to perform diverse tasks. AutoRT's ability to understand environments and suggest tasks makes it highly versatile. In real-world evaluations, AutoRT safely managed up to 20 robots simultaneously, completing 77,000 robotic trials across 6,650 unique tasks. This advancement represents a significant step forward in creating autonomous robots for real-world use, highlighting the practical applications and potential safety concerns of deploying such technology. Imagine a warehouse where robots handle inventory management, order fulfillment, and even maintenance tasks autonomously, significantly reducing operational costs and increasing efficiency. This could also extend to agricultural applications, where robots can manage crops and livestock, improving productivity and sustainability. Additionally, in healthcare, robots equipped with AutoRT can assist in surgeries and patient care, ensuring precision and consistency. Meanwhile, Luma, a new AI rival to Sora and Kling, is making headlines by offering its services for free. This move is expected to democratize access to advanced AI tools, enabling more people to benefit from AI technology. Luma's capabilities include advanced language understanding, content generation, and real-time data analysis, making it a powerful tool for businesses and individuals alike. This could lead to a surge in innovative applications as more people gain access to cutting-edge AI without financial barriers. Small businesses and independent creators can now leverage AI to enhance their operations and reach, creating more competition and driving innovation across various industries. This democratization of AI tools could lead to an explosion of creativity and entrepreneurship, with more people able to bring their ideas to life. Furthermore, Luma's open access model could foster a collaborative community where users share their AI-driven projects and innovations, accelerating technological advancements. In another exciting development, DOT is an AI designed to be a personal assistant and companion. With capabilities ranging from managing schedules to providing emotional support, DOT aims to integrate seamlessly into users' lives. It can remind you of appointments, suggest new recipes, or even chat with you about your day, providing a level of interaction that feels personal and engaging. This kind of technology could transform the way we manage our daily lives, offering not just convenience, but also companionship. For elderly users, DOT could provide essential reminders for medication and appointments, while also offering a friendly voice to combat loneliness. Imagine a future where everyone has a personal assistant that not only helps with daily tasks, but also provides emotional support and companionship, enhancing overall well-being. DOT can also be programmed to assist with mental health, offering mindfulness exercises, tracking mood patterns, and suggesting activities to improve mental well-being. NVIDIA's G Assist is the first AI assistant designed specifically for gamers. This assistant can help players strategize, optimize game settings, and even provide real-time tips during gameplay. It's like having a coach that understands not only the game mechanics, but also your personal play style, helping you improve and enjoy your gaming experience even more. This technology could take competitive gaming to the next level, offering players a new edge in their gameplay. Imagine an AI that tracks your performance, provides detailed feedback, and suggests strategies to improve your skills, making gaming more immersive and competitive. This could also lead to new gaming experiences where AI assistants play alongside human players, creating dynamic and challenging gameplay scenarios. Additionally, G-Assist can help in game development by testing and providing feedback on new game mechanics, ensuring a polished and engaging final product. OpenAI wants to power superhuman AI with nuclear energy, aiming to create AI systems that surpass human capabilities in numerous fields. This ambitious project seeks to harness the immense power of nuclear energy to run advanced AI algorithms, potentially leading to breakthroughs in science, technology, and beyond. The idea is to provide the computational power needed for the next generation of AI without the environmental impact associated with traditional energy sources. This could revolutionize the way we approach energy consumption in AI research, making it more sustainable and efficient. Imagine AI-powered systems that can process vast amounts of data in real time, leading to rapid advancements in fields like medicine and materials engineering. These AI systems could also be instrumental in space exploration, analyzing data from distant planets and asteroids to uncover new insights and possibilities. However, OpenAI's biggest fear is becoming a reality as AI continues to advance at a rapid pace. There are growing concerns about the ethical implications, potential misuse, and the need for robust regulations to ensure AI benefits humanity without causing harm. The discussion around AI safety is more relevant than ever, and it's crucial to address these challenges proactively. This includes ensuring transparency in AI development and implementing safeguards against misuse. The future of AI depends on how well we can balance innovation with ethical considerations, ensuring that advancements benefit all of humanity. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, the need for clear guidelines and ethical standards will only grow, highlighting the importance of responsible development and deployment. Additionally, international cooperation will be essential to create a global framework for AI ethics, ensuring consistency and fairness in AI applications worldwide. In a lighter note, Google's new AI allows users to chat with celebrities, creating a unique and interactive experience. This AI can mimic the speech patterns and personalities of famous individuals, making conversations feel realistic and engaging. Whether you want to chat with a historical figure or your favorite movie star, this AI brings a new level of interaction to the digital world. This technology could revolutionize the entertainment industry, offering fans a new way to connect with their idols. Imagine asking your favorite celebrity a question and getting a response that feels personal and genuine, creating unforgettable fan experiences. This could also be used in educational settings, where students can interact with historical figures or experts in various fields, making learning more engaging and interactive. For example, students learning about history could have a virtual conversation with figures like Albert Einstein or Cleopatra, bringing their lessons to life in a unique and memorable way. Lastly, the moment we've all been waiting for, Tesla's robotaxi. Elon Musk has announced that Tesla will unveil its fully autonomous robotaxi on August 8, 2024. This autonomous vehicle is designed to operate without a human driver, potentially revolutionizing the ride-hailing industry. Users will be able to book rides through an app, and the robotaxi will autonomously pick them up and drive them to their destinations. This is a key part of Elon Musk's vision for the future of transportation, where efficient, sustainable, and driverless taxis become the norm. This could drastically reduce traffic congestion and emissions, making urban transportation cleaner and more efficient. Imagine a city where self-driving taxis provide seamless, eco-friendly transportation, reducing the need for personal vehicles and enhancing mobility for all. This innovation could also make transportation more accessible to people with disabilities, offering greater independence and mobility. Additionally, robotaxis could be integrated with public transportation networks, providing first and last mile connectivity, further enhancing urban mobility. As we wrap up this AI extravaganza, I can't help but feel we're living in the future we once only dreamed about. From AI that can outthink us in complex tasks to robots that understand our commands, from climate models that can predict local weather patterns to cars that drive themselves. The world of AI is expanding at a breakneck pace. But what do you think? Are you excited about this AI-driven future, or does it make you a bit nervous? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this AI roller coaster ride, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss what we cover next time on AI with Win. What if I told you that there's an AI out there creating videos so realistic that it's almost impossible to tell them apart from real life? And guess what? OpenAI is feeling the heat. Stick around as we dive into the mind-blowing world of this groundbreaking technology that's shaking up the industry. Welcome back to AI with Win. Today, we're exploring an astonishing new AI that's taking video generation to a whole new level. This AI isn't just making videos, it's creating visual masterpieces that blur the lines between reality and fiction. Why is OpenAI so concerned? What does this mean for the future of content creation? Let's find out. Everyone's been eagerly waiting for OpenAI to drop their new Sora model. But while we were all waiting, a Chinese company called Quo surprised everyone by releasing a game changer out of nowhere. They introduced a new AI model called Sing, and it's blowing everyone's minds with its capabilities. Sing is a video generation model developed by Quo, a company you might recognize from their popular app. This new model is similar to Sora, but some are saying it might even be better in certain areas. What's really exciting is that Sing is open access, allowing more people to experiment with it and see what it can do. Imagine this, a prompt that says, a Chinese man sits at a table and eats noodles with chopsticks. Sing takes this and generates a video that looks almost too realistic. If you remember that infamous video of Will Smith eating noodles that looked like something out of a horror movie, Sing's version puts it to shame. It's like night and day.
Hey, Uncle Phil, come try this.
Sing can generate videos up to 2 minutes long with just a single prompt in full 1080p quality at 30 frames per second, which is quite impressive. It accurately simulates real-world physical properties, meaning the videos it creates don't just look good, they behave like real-life videos too. The magic behind Sing lies in its diffusion transformer architecture, which helps translate rich textual prompts into vivid, realistic scenes. Plus, Sing uses a proprietary 3D VAE, variational autoencoder, that supports various aspect ratios thanks to variable resolution training. Basically, it can handle different video dimensions and still produce high-quality output. One of the standout features of this model is its advanced 3D face and body reconstruction technology. This allows it to create videos where characters show full expression and limb movements, all driven from a single full-body photo. Essentially, this tech makes the videos look so lifelike and consistent. This innovation highlights that China is seriously stepping up its game in AI development. Sing is just a glimpse of what's coming out of the country, indicating that they might be ahead of the curve. OpenAI has announced plans to release Sora by the end of the year, but with Sing already available, they might have some catching up to do. The big question is whether China will make Sing available worldwide. Currently, it's accessible through the Quo app, but you need a Chinese phone number to use it. Sing isn't the first AI video generation model from China. Back in April, Quo released VDU AI, which could create 16-second videos in 1080p resolution. Sing is the next evolution, offering longer videos with even better quality. If you check out Sing's website, you'll see some impressive demo videos, such as an emperor angelfish swimming in a rocky underwater habitat, a man riding a horse in the Gobi Desert during sunset, and even a white cat driving a car through a busy urban street. These videos showcase the model's ability to handle complex scenes and movements while maintaining high quality. The technology behind Sing involves a 3D spatiotemporal joint attention mechanism, which helps it model complex movements and generate video content with larger motions that conform to the laws of physics. When you see a man riding a horse in the desert, the horse's movements, the dust trails, and even the sunset in the background all look just right. Sing uses efficient training infrastructure and extreme inference optimization, allowing it to generate videos up to 2 minutes long at a smooth 30 FPS. One example they showcased was a little boy riding a bicycle through different seasons in a garden. The video maintained high consistency and detail throughout, which is no small feat for AI-generated content. Another impressive feature of this model is its strong concept combination ability. It can take different ideas and merge them into a single coherent video. For instance, imagine a white cat driving a car through a bustling city. Footage like that doesn't exist in real life, but Sing can create it from scratch and make it look believable. Additionally, it excels in movie-quality image generation, producing videos that look like they were shot with a professional camera crew. One example showed a man and a woman walking under a starry sky with the stars moving in the background. The level of detail and quality in these videos is truly cinematic. What's more, Sing supports various video aspect ratios. Whether you need a square video for Instagram, a portrait for TikTok, or a landscape for YouTube, it can handle it all. This flexibility is super useful for content creators who want to use the same video across different platforms. Let's talk about some more examples from the demos. One video shows a Chinese man eating noodles with chopsticks. The details are so precise that if you saw this at a lower resolution, you might not even realize it's AI-generated content. Another impressive AI-generated video features a chef skillfully chopping onions in a kitchen, where the knife's movements are remarkably realistic. In contrast, an earlier video showcases a cat navigating a bustling street in a car, seamlessly blending cars, buildings, pedestrians, and the cat's movements into a cohesive scene. Another demonstration depicts a volcano erupting inside a coffee cup, highlighting the AI's ability to create convincing fictional scenarios. One of the standout videos shows a Lego character exploring an art gallery, capturing the distinctive movements akin to those in Lego movies. The AI effortlessly manages depth and focus shifts, resembling real camera techniques. Sing's AI also excels in simulating real-world physics, such as pouring milk into a cup with natural fluid dynamics, a feat challenging for AI. Its capability to maintain temporal consistency across longer videos is equally impressive, as seen in a continuous sequence of a train traversing varied landscapes over 2 minutes. These advancements underscore China's rapid progress in AI-driven video generation technology, potentially setting a competitive pace in global AI development. With OpenAI's response to Tsing's AI eagerly anticipated, the race among countries for AI superiority promises exciting advancements, alongside potential risks. OpenAI's recent revival of its robotics team, following investments in humanoid robotics, suggests a strategic pivot to integrate AI into robotic systems collaboratively rather than competitively. What do you think this means for the future of digital content creation? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching AI with Win. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in AI technology. See you next time. Welcome back to AI with Win. Today we're diving into Claude 3.5 Sonnet, an AI powerhouse that's outshining GPT-4o. What makes Claude 3.5 so special? Stick around to find out. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is revolutionizing the AI landscape, surpassing GPT-4o in several benchmarks. This model isn't even Anthropic's largest, suggesting even more impressive future updates. Claude 3.5 Sonnet excels in zero-shot tasks, answering questions without prior examples and explaining its reasoning process. This model is not only faster but also more accurate. What sets Claude 3.5 Sonnet apart is its ability to handle a variety of tasks. From coding and data transcription to generating plot ideas for novels, Claude is incredibly versatile. Early user feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, noting the model's clean and informative user interface. In one demo, Claude transcribed a genome sequencing timeline into JSON swiftly, showcasing its robust coding skills. It also excels at adjusting visuals, making presentations, and creating real-time iterations with features like artifacts. For instance, Claude generated code for an 8-bit star crab and seashells, enabling users to build a working game in minutes. Anthropic's AI models, including Claude, consistently add new features and offer significant capability jumps at the same price as previous models. This trend is breaking the historical price-to-intelligence ratio, making advanced AI more affordable. Claude 3.5 Sonnet solves a higher percentage of problems in internal evaluations compared to previous models, highlighting its advancements. With new releases planned, the AI industry is evolving rapidly, ensuring continuous innovation. Anthropic is exploring new features for business use cases, including integrations with enterprise applications and memory features. These enhancements will make the user experience more personalized and efficient. Claude 3.5 Sonnet showcases Anthropic's capabilities, with improvements in performance and cost efficiency highlighting their commitment to advancing AI technology. What do you think the future holds for AI-generated creativity? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more groundbreaking AI updates. Remember, the future is now and it's powered by AI. See you next time on AI with Win. Imagine a world where machines and algorithms replace human jobs at an unprecedented rate. What does this mean for you, your career, and the global economy. Stick around as we reveal how advancements in artificial intelligence could reshape the job market and challenge our very way of life. Are you ready to glimpse into a potentially unsettling future? Let's dive in. Welcome to AI with Win. Today we're exploring the profound impact of artificial intelligence on employment. Avital Balvit, who works at the Frontier Lab in Anthropic, provides crucial insights into the future of work and employment. In her post, Avital offers a personal reflection on how the next few years might shape the economy and employment landscape. She states, I am 25, and these next 3 years might be the last few years that I work. This statement underscores the profound changes anticipated in the job market. She clarifies that her anticipation of potentially ending her working years soon is not due to illness, becoming a stay-at-home mom, or early retirement. Instead, she attributes it to the rapid technological advancements that seem likely to redefine employment as we know it. This perspective is not sensationalism, but a realistic assessment from someone deeply embedded in the AI field. Anthropic, known for developing advanced AI models like Claude 3, is at the forefront of these technological changes. Avital's remarks highlight the potential for AI to fundamentally alter the nature of work. She emphasizes that the advancements in AI are likely to surpass human capabilities in many areas, leading to significant shifts in the job market. Avital observes that with each iteration of their models, the AI becomes more capable and general. This advancement challenges traditional job roles, particularly in fields like freelance writing, which she mentions as being heavily impacted. The introduction of language models has intensified competition in these oversubscribed skill sets, making them potentially obsolete. She notes that the general reaction among knowledge workers to the rise of language models is often one of denial. Many cling to the diminishing areas where AI still struggles instead of recognizing the expanding range of tasks where AI matches or exceeds human performance. This denial can hinder necessary preparations for the impending changes. Unlike previous technological revolutions, such as the Industrial Revolution, the current wave of AI advancements involves the automation of automation, creating a self-reinforcing loop. This fundamental difference suggests that the impact on employment will be more profound and widespread. Avital's insights serve as a call to action for individuals to pay attention to these developments. It's crucial to acknowledge that AI's capabilities are growing rapidly and will eventually encompass a wide array of tasks, making it essential for workers to adapt and prepare for the future. At this stage, where AI is beginning to surpass human cognitive capabilities, it's essential to recognize this shift and position ourselves accordingly, rather than staying in denial. Many argue that AI isn't yet writing award-winning books or patenting inventions, but it's crucial to note that most of us don't do these things either. This highlights a key point. While AI may not yet excel in the most exceptional human endeavors, it outperforms the average person in many tasks. The economically and politically relevant comparison isn't whether AI is better than the best human, but whether it is better than the average person performing a given task. This is significant because automation occurs when AI can outperform the typical worker, not necessarily the best. For example, AI systems in grocery store self-checkouts only need to be more efficient than the average cashier to justify their use. This principle applies broadly across industries. While AI might not create Hollywood blockbuster movies or perform highly complex tasks yet, it will affect various fields such as film and photography, especially as future models become smarter. Even if they aren't as intelligent as Einstein, they may surpass the average researcher, making their impact substantial. Concerns about AI not yet coding long sequences or solving complex math independently are more relevant but are diminishing as these systems improve across cognitive tasks. The ultimate goal of AI research is to create systems capable of performing any task, and if we achieve this, we must consider the societal implications. As AI advances, work as a means of transferring wealth, providing social connection, status, and meaning, and contributing to political stability might be at risk. The potential loss of work raises questions about societal well-being. Will people be happy without work? How will they meet their material needs? While some propose solutions like universal basic income, no government has adopted a comprehensive policy for this eventuality. This lack of preparation underscores the need for individuals to be proactive. Governments are not always equipped to act as caretakers, and this responsibility often falls to individuals and communities. AI's rapid improvement is driven by better algorithms, higher quality data, and increased computational power. The field is still young, with much room for discoveries and advancements. This means that even as AI systems become more capable, there is still significant potential for further breakthroughs. Understanding this context is essential for navigating the future of AI and its impact on society. It's not just about the most exceptional capabilities of AI, but about its ability to perform average tasks more efficiently than humans, leading to widespread automation and significant changes in how we live and work. There are countless ways to enhance these models, particularly in terms of algorithm efficiencies and their responsiveness. The key point here is that there is a significant amount of untapped potential in this industry, and we are just beginning to explore what these models can achieve. If we had exhausted all computing capabilities and algorithmic discoveries, it might be argued that we were nearing the end of growth. However, because there is still so much low-hanging fruit, we can expect substantial improvements and exponential gains. Although an enormous amount of data has already been processed, more data can be found and generated by the systems themselves. Given the scaling laws, we can reasonably foresee that these systems will continue to improve until these inputs are exhausted. The improvement of language models typically happens in discontinuous jumps rather than a steady progression. A rough analogy is that creating a new model is like baking a cake. You mix the batter, data and algorithms, bake it, pre-train the model on many computers over several months, and then frost and decorate it, post-training. This process results in significant, noticeable advancements rather than continuous, incremental improvements. So when these models seem to plateau, it usually indicates that the next model is in development, but hasn't been released yet. The iterative deployment at companies like OpenAI shows that growth in language models occurs in steps. Each new release brings substantial advancements after periods of intensive training and development. Many experts expect AI to eventually handle every economically useful task, which is an ambitious and somewhat startling prediction. Jobs involving online work, such as copywriting, tax preparation, customer service, software development, and contract law, are particularly susceptible to automation by AI. These tasks, which involve reading, analyzing, synthesizing information, and generating content, are ripe for replacement by language models. This trend suggests that remote workers and those in online professions need to consider how to position themselves to remain valuable in the face of increasing automation. While human workers might be slightly better than AI, companies may prefer the cost efficiency of AI systems that can operate continuously without breaks. As AI systems become more advanced and widespread, we can expect significant disruptions across various industries. For instance, when GPT-5 is released, a broader range of jobs may become nearly automated, potentially leading to layoffs or changes in hiring practices. The downstream effects of these changes will take time to manifest, but the overall market impact could be substantial. However, cognitive automation is advancing more rapidly than physical automation. Professions requiring intricate manual skills, such as surgeons, gardeners, plumbers, jewelry makers, and hairstylists, may remain relevant for longer, as the current technology struggles to replicate these tasks effectively. These skilled trades will likely continue to be valued in our society for many years to come due to the complexity and variability involved in their work. Imagine trying to get a team of engineers to build a robot capable of doing a complex task. It would be incredibly expensive and challenging. However, an AI system running on a computer can take over many tasks much more easily. This is why desk jobs are more at risk of automation than manual labor jobs. This trend is significant and worth paying attention to. Regulated industries like medicine and civil service will still require human involvement for a longer period. But even there, AI will increasingly supplement human workers. If you're working in or considering entering a regulated industry, it's likely to be secure for the foreseeable future. Regulatory boards, which take a long time to allow new practices, will slow down the adoption of AI in these fields. For instance, becoming a doctor or a lawyer requires passing numerous exams and meeting stringent requirements. Even if AI systems are better, regulatory bodies and societal views will delay their widespread use in these industries. Changes will be slow because these industries are built on strict foundations and resistant to change. Certain jobs will continue to be preferred for humans, despite advancements in AI. Roles such as counselors, caregivers for the elderly, babysitters, preschool teachers, priests, and even sex workers will likely remain human-centric because they require a human touch and empathy. These nostalgic jobs are valued because they involve human interaction. Talking to a human therapist who can empathize with your experiences is very different from interacting with an AI. Humans have subjective experiences and emotions that AI, no matter how advanced, cannot replicate. Regarding the psychology of employment, research shows that unemployment can negatively affect mental and physical health. For example, the collapse of the Spanish construction industry led to increased health issues among the unemployed. Financial strain, loss of status, and the sense of not contributing to society are significant factors. However, widespread layoffs, like those during the COVID-19 pandemic, can mitigate some distress because everyone is in the same situation, reducing personal blame and fostering a sense of shared experience. As automation progresses, industries will be affected at different rates. Knowledge work and cognitive labor jobs will likely be automated first. Some companies may embrace AI fully, while others might market themselves as human run. It's essential to consider a company's stance on AI when planning your career. In a post AI world, people may need to find joy in activities they are not particularly good at, simply for the pleasure of doing them. This mindset could help prepare for a future where humans no longer need to work for survival, but still need to fill their days meaningfully. Ultimately, if we develop superhuman AI systems, they could potentially help solve the problems they create, including finding ways for humans to maintain a sense of purpose. Did you know that AI is predicted to automate 40% of jobs within the next decade? What job do you think is safe from automation? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching AI with Win. Have you ever imagined a world where robots can think, learn, and interact just like humans? Well, that world is already here. Welcome back to AI with Win. Today, we're diving into the astonishing world of robotics and artificial intelligence. We'll be highlighting the most groundbreaking advancements made over the past year. From humanoid robots with lifelike capabilities to neural interfaces connecting our minds to machines, the future is unfolding right before our eyes. Last year witnessed extraordinary developments in robotics, particularly with humanoid machines that blur the line between AI and human attributes. Take engineered art's Amecha, for instance. This marvel is equipped with 24 motors on its face, enabling precise limb movements and human-like interactions. It can draw, solve puzzles, and even mimic human behavior, showcasing advancements in generative adversarial networks, inverse kinematics, and PID controllers. Next up is Neo, OpenAI's latest stride toward artificial general intelligence. Neo can manipulate objects and generate code using state-of-the-art AI systems like GPT-4 and DALL-E.